After motion loss.
45
loss. Bail hearing. Her janaza was at 7 p.m. loss.
What nature of it?
Intermediate lordship. And it was 2 days, 57 days lordship.
Okay, we'll see.
After motion loss.
Right.
May I please, your lord? May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, my lord.
1-4.
Oh, yes, my lord. That matter has been fixed today, but my lord, the LCR is not available, my lord. So, lordship, there is also urgency, my lord. The matter may be kindly fixed on Friday, my lord.
No,
Friday, my lord, because the trial court.
Whatever, Friday cannot be. Otherwise, also, this typically motion is dedicated, and anyway.
Take time.
Matter to
What to say?
Because as the lordship has indicated in these days, again 27th which is important this part.
Perhaps in fact
Yes,
today also. Today also. Let it be immediately after vacation. Otherwise, we don't have any.
Because well, I have a prayer before your lordship. Lordship, that matter has been in the learned trial court below. It probably, my lord, 10 to 12, my lord. So that is the difficulty on my part. And if the lordship,
At the stage of which stage?
At the stage of framing of charge, if the lordship kindly peruse the last order, the observation was given that the interim order will be considered after receiving the LCR. That is the difficulty, only my part. So my humble prayer before your lordship.
Where from LCR has to come?
CGM Kamrup Metro, madam. The first order.
Yes, there no such kind of observation is there on the application.
Lordship kindly peruse the first order. That is the Justice Robin Bhuvan, madam.
6, 7, 28, 30, not at all possible, I think. Yes, Goswami, it is from Kamrup, his name.
Kamrup Metro. They can file an adjournment on this date.
Yes.
I think that matter will be hard.
You can file an adjournment seeking some adjournment on that date. Then obviously it will come after vacation and then definitely one after vacation. So it may not be possible.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying.
Yeah.
Immediately after vacation on
Yes.
15 or 15 we are reopening date. Okay.
17 if the lordship possible.
17.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Whatever may be, madam. We will file a application.
At their okay, we are listing it.
My lord.
We call for the LCR first.
Sir.
Call for the issue reminder. We are calling.
All right. May I please, your lordship? I'd like to mention item number 6, lordship. Password for the day, lordship. This engaged counsel of this case, lordship, suffering from physical illness, lordship. Can it be fixed on 26, lordship? Motion matter. 26. Item 6.
Not
Motion
possible.
matter.
Don't keep it this one. We are
Then 27 or 28.
letters have been listed.
Any day before vacation, lordship. Motion matter.
No day. That's fine. Problem.
Any-
Can it be any day? I don't
27, 28.
think. 28 to
Physical duty is physical illness. Duty is physical illness,
Yes,
sudden
obviously,
physical
obviously.
illness.
That's why you are taking
I'm
it.
started to
Equal.
28 lordship last day. And motion.
It was listed today for your difficulty because prayed for an adjournment. What to do?
28.
Otherwise, 28 is not problem.
And
28,
then later,
27,
this lordship, I will take instruction from engaged counsel.
28. You want to take instruction?
If fixed lordship. Yes,
Big
lord.
means it's a
My lord,
civil
Mr.
affair.
AJ Atia is suffering from sudden illness. my lord.
Whatever, he may suffer.
Yes, my lord. So, for the, my lord,
No,
for
illness
adjourn-
of the, we have to understand, that is not the issue.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you are praying for adjournment for the illness of witness. That is okay. But the listing of the case is a matter
For
of
the day, my lord. That is,
What for the day? What kind of illness he is suffering?
my lord, he is my lord, some problem, my lord, serious problem.
What kind of problem?
My lord, he is one legs is paralyzed, my lord. Suddenly. Mr. Ati.
No, who?
Mr. Ati, AJ Ati, my lord. He informed me, request
Let
me.
it be adjourned, but it may not take the date.
That's all, my lord.
List
For the-
accordingly.
Please check out.
For the day, my lord.
Okay, list accordingly. We can approach.
Yes, there is even
May I please, Lordship? My lord, I am praying for listing a motion matter day after tomorrow. Another
What kind of?
Lordship, another application from the same FIR is fixed on that date for CD, Lordship. Another,
What kind of matter?
Lordship, 21B, Lordship.
Motion matter? And
No, Lord.
bail application.
Bail application.
Then why is saying motion? I thought it was.
So, motion, another application from the same FIR is fixed on 26, Lordship, with CD, Lordship. I am praying for listing on that day, Lordship.
It's also I'm having interview. How can it be possible? Not possible.
To my information,
Continuous we are having interview in fact. If it is fixed, it may not reach.
another application is there, therefore I am praying, Lordship.
Whatever.
On 26, on the day it is fixed, Lordship. 1659, BA number 1659.
Well, okay.
Obliged.
Look, item 36, Lordship. And the matter will be taken at 2, Lordship.
That I cannot. 36. What is it?
Give
Order
me a-
matter.
Order.
Then
Order for bail, Lordship. Order for in bail.
let's see. It may reach, may not. No? Because thereafter we have to take the bail hearing matters. It may not reach. We are, I mean, I'm just marking it, but it may not. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item number 17, my lord. Kindly, it may be
Seven?
taken after 17, my lord.
Ah.
After vacation, my lord, it may be taken.
What
After
about
vacation.
this? We have received the case diary here.
There is a scan copy has been received.
Oh, sorry, yes, scan
Yes,
copy.
yes, yes.
Then
After vacation.
you want it after vacation?
After
The replacement that Oh. By
Yeah,
the time,
please.
do you want any updated report status report of the case? Because most probably this. Yeah, I mean the
Yes,
charge.
2024 case file has come updated.
Ah,
2024.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I would to mention for a listing of a matter, Your Lordship. A criminal revision petition. It was last listed on 6/5/2024.
Yeah, mention it before senior mention. Court number 21.
22.
21.
21.
May I please, my lordship? I beg to mention item number 35, my lordship. Let it come after the holidays, my lordship.
Hmm? After vacation.
After it.
The request. You are for the petition.
Yes.
The request made by the judge. Okay, it will come up.
Wait, please. Wait, please. With regard to item
Oh,
number
now how is your claim? Both the hands.
I can do nothing, completely handicapped.
Completely handicapped.
Completely
Yes.
Everything is now been done by my family members. Everything.
I thought you had such an injury in one hand.
No, in both hands. Actually, fingers, little finger and that ring finger. In
Oh,
both the hands. In this position I fell.
oh.
Left hand fell.
In your own house only
In my
or
own house. In my own house.
Oh,
So now, after operation of it, they tried some thing and all. So the
Ah.
pain is with regard to the piercing of the pin, and several pin has been inserted there. So, my prayer now, Lordship, with regard to item number 43, can it be taken, upgraded the matter, Lordship? Immediately after-
Otherwise
because
also,
you are supposed to appear on the virtual mode
yes,
also.
yes.
So you are here today.
Yes, I am
So
here to
40.
43.
it was, otherwise also it should have come in the motion column, my lord. Notice has not been issued.
Notice may be issued, then let notice be issued.
Let the matter be called, your
So after some time, you are calling it.
lord.
May I please, Your Lordship?
42 update.
I would like to mention item number 25, my lordship, of the daily list.
Yes, what is it? 25.
25. LCR has been, scan copy has been called for, but yet it is not received yet, my lordship. So the matter will
Yes,
be-
Mr. Goswami. We have not received the case LCR. Can copy?
Regarding DRI.
What's a DRI?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, yes, the office not received.
25 we have received the DRI. Hi, David.
my lordship.
Hard scan copy. From the office note dated 20 scan copy. To reminder, I think. To reminder, it's recording. Oh, it's a bail application.
My lordship.
Then want to give a fixed date. They're giving on 19/7.
1970. Oblige, your lordship.
May I please? I have paid for listing of a bail application filed on 21/6/2024 for motion. Tomorrow, Lordship.
Just will come. So anyway, we are giving you 26. May not be.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow not. Tomorrow not at all possible. 26.
22nd, Lordship. 26.
27 almost full, I think. 27. 27. This will be 26, but your problem.
So,
We are listing at
some
20.
difficulty, Lord. Election is there.
Huh?
Election is conducting council will appear before election. Therefore, 27.
Candidate. Okay.
27.
We'll
Hello,
come.
please.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 22, my lord. This matter may be taken up, my lord, after vacation, my lord.
Is the chartered one or
No, my lord.
we have received anything?
No,
yet?
she did not receive.
Item number 29, my lord, 29.
29.
You are on 29.
29, yes.
29 city received.
29.
29 we have received the CD.
Lord.
My lord, co-accused bail is paid fixed, my lord, after vacation, my lord. So let this matter be taken up after
It's a
vacation.
commercial one.
No, my lord.
Commercial.
No, no. Cattle X, my lord.
Huh?
Cattle X.
Acha cattle. Oh, it's a AB only.
Yes,
Okay. Are you on interim?
yes, ma'am.
Vacation any date? Date.
Lord.
What date?
Another,
23/7. Interim was there?
yes, ma'am. Interim.
Interim.
My lord, after withdrawal of a BA petition, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord. For withdrawal of my lord.
Maybe the Lordship. I beg to mention item number 4, Lordship. I have taken consent from other side, Lordship. This is NCB matter, Lordship. Can it be fixed on Lordship 15, Lordship, July?
Item number 4.
44. Immediately after vacation, Lordship, 15 July, Lordship.
You have talked to the standing council and
Yes, Lordship. I have taken consent, Lordship.
record to after vacation, we take
After vacation, Lordship, 15 July.
15.
Most of it.
15.
May I plead your lordship? I beg to mention for one anticipated bail application, lordship, for 27 June.
Then it for 27 we have lost, 26.
26, lordship, then 28,
28 not possible.
26, much okay.
Application for regular bail. Page 12 is the FIR, my lord. He is in custody for 4 months. NDPS case, my lord. The lordship pleases, my lord.
Since when he is in custody?
My lord, on 15th of February 2024, my lord. CD may be called for, my lord.
It's a commercial one.
Commercial loan. CD may be called.
When can be listed for sign?
On my lord, 19 my lord.
1970.
May I please, your lordship? 439 application, lordship. Petitioner was arrested on 13/2/2024. Today is about 132 days. Though the case is registered under a commercial quantity, but the recovery from the position, as per the seizure list, lordship, if we count, then it will be 17.352 kg ganja. So 20 up to above 20 kg is commercial quantity, lordship. And in that case, lordship, till today, to my information, lordship, sheet not submitted. He is inside the jail for about 132 days. The seizure list type copy is at page number 20. Page number 20.
Number
20.
Verify from the CD, my lord, regarding the quantity.
Can it be on before vacation, lordship, any day? Because, lordship, it's from Rangya, lordship, because if it is 17 kg, then, lordship, it will be intermediate quantity from his position. On last day of the before vacation, lordship. Let's try his luck, lordship, from Rangya, lordship.
Yes, Kusami.
Yes, we'll try, my lord, but we will not say whether it's someone.
Let's see, lordship.
But
Let's
We are
see.
fixing it on the 20.
Lordship, case number, it Rangya case here, case number 13 on the 20.
Okay, we are fixing it.
On 20. 42, lordship, it's a sarcited case, lordship. Lordship will find the FIR at page number, translated copy at page, at page number 9, lordship. After 4 months of the occurrence, lordship, the Azhar was lost against 3 persons. My name is at accused serial number 3, Siddiq Ali. So, lordship, in this case, charge submitted. As lordship, it's registered under POCSO. Mentioned the age is the victim girl is 16 years old, lordship. So, my petitioner claimed that if any DNA test conduct by the investigating officer, he definitely is certain in this case that this is not done by him, because she is pregnant at that moment, at the time of filing the FIR. 3 months pregnancy was there. So he is praying before this honorable court to conduct the DNA test, lordship, and along with that report, the LCR may be placed before the honorable court, lordship. This is my humble.
DNA test is already there?
No, lordship, it not yet conducted. It,
We
cannot, you can only call for the LCR.
We can call for the LCR. If there is material is there, it's okay. Or if not material, that can be considered. But you can make a prayer before the
trial court
below to make a.
In the meantime, we can pray for that if possible, lordship.
So we are fixing it on obviously after vacation.
And a notice should go to the informant.
Yes.
Through the concerned police station lodge.
Yes.
Huh? After vacation law?
Only informant is the made party or
Informant
only
lordship.
informant?
If lordship passes the direction to serve the copy to the victim also, we can do that also.
Then let us come to the informant.
Informant is the mother lordship.
Oh no, sorry, it is not the charge sheet.
Charge sheet.
So we are calling it
LCR.
and you take steps
Yes.
to jurisdiction police station, rotate to the office of the public
Through the
protector.
concerned police station.
Concerned
Officer
police
inches.
station, it has to be routed to the office of the public
Lordship.
protector. So we are fixing it on
30 minus 307.
30.
We'll take steps within
Yes,
this week.
within this 2-3 days you take steps. That's why.
Deeply obliged.
May I please? This is case of 125 CRPC, Your Lordship. So in this case, Your Lordship, I have the two grounds. Number one ground is that the opposite party respondent left the husband without having any reasons.
Without having?
Any reasons, any ground.
Without
Just she has narrated the domestic violence, but she could not prove it. And the second is the husband, that is the petitioner, is daily wages earner, and he earned just something about the 300 or 400 per day. So the maintenance amount has been given to 10,000, 7,000 to the wife and 3,000 to the children. So far the children is concerned, I have no objection because I have to maintain him. But so far the 7,000 to the wife is concerned, I have an objection because she left, because I have filed restitution of conjugal rights also, title suit. She directly stated that he is not going to again live with the husband. And the second is the first stand that in his petition he has taken that due to domestic violence she could not stay with the husband. But in the examination, cross-examination, she again said that the husband has remarried another wife. That's why I am not going to return. So these are the things that your Lordship has to see. And earlier, your Lordship asked,
do you think that if your husband, suppose, remarries, then how she will go there?
no, that is the total false. She could not prove it. Just she get the statement. The earlier she could not. Earlier, at the time of filing of the petition, and even in her evidence, she didn't mention that. So, just to avoid the husband, she is saying so, your Lordship. So, some amount may be reduced, your Lordship. Earlier also, in the same case, in case of the interim maintenance, I have moved the petition and the court has reduced 50%. Reduced to 50%, your Lordship. And that order is at 47.
So what amount you are paying, or you are paying nothing now?
Now, I am paying 2,000 as per direction of this Honorable Court.
Where is the order?
Yes, 47, your Lordship. Page 47.
So you are paying 2,000 for son,
Yes.
and nothing has been paid for the thing.
Yes.
What?
Yes. So I am ready to pay the child an amount of 3,000.
They are not going to stay this order.
But I cannot pay because of due to my income. Lordship to reduce some amount, your Lordship.
But till now there are quite a big amount of area is there. You have not paid anything. To wife, the order was passed on which day?
Yes, only recently it is passed.
29/4.
Yes. So now it is due.
Hard Janet for it. It's an application. It will not be responsible. Hard on scope tool. Order instead as per order of code, it is 2023. He is paying 6,000 per month with a security the son of the petition. But the award was awarded to pay. But the maintenance was granted to the tune of 57,000 per month for the respondent and 3,000 per month for the minor task. But he is a daily wage earner and it's not in position to pay the maintenance as directed by the court below. However, he is ready to pay 60,000 per month for maintenance of her son. According to according to that stay of the payment of taxes for the wife of the on the take and that the maintenance be paid at amount of 60,000 per month the son of the petition and the and it is 3,000 another 60,000 per month for the maintenance of the wife. Till disposal of the 6,000 per month to the petition for towards maintenance. So son, you are ready to pay 3,000, and for wife, we are deducting here pay 3,000 per 6,000. Issue of notice also takes place.
Obliged.
It's
Supplementary item Lordship 49 is also connected with item number 3 Lordship. Supplementary item 49. I for suspension of sentence in bail Lordship. This revision petition is against Lordship challenging the judgment passed by the learned session judge Lordship. In an NIA case.
saying that
49. 3 and 49 both are connected.
49 is the I.
I.
Now, why is 3? 3 is what?
3 is the criminal revision main petition Lordship and 49 is the I, interrogatory application.
Achha.
I is for suspension of sentence paying for bail Lordship.
When the order was passed?
Order passed by the Lordship learned session judge. Additional session judge Biswanath Charli Lordship. In criminal appeal number 4 within bracket S4 of 2021. This was case under NI Act. The trial court convicted. Thereafter we filed an appeal. In appeal Lordship, the order passed by the judgment passed by the trial court was affirmed, and this petition has been filed before your Lordship. Lordship may kindly admit the revision petition and call for the LCR, and in the meantime allow the petitioner to remain on bail Lordship.
At this stage, whether he was in earlier bail or previous bail, no. He is not on previous bail.
He was on bail Lordship. He is still on bail. He is not behind bar.
He is still on bail.
Yes, Lordship.
Is there any earlier, previous bail, or he is an
Lordship.
Now you want to continue any previous bail is there, or you want to follow?
As per your Lordship's convenience, if your Lordship thinks that...
Is there any order if you have connected?
No, Lordship.
Whether earlier he was also granted.
Lordship may allow the petitioner to go on fresh bail. He will submit a fresh bail, Lordship.
No such kind of order in fact. So for bail you have specified this I.
Aye, Lordship.
Mr. Arboda, done it not this is an application with against the investment and order of the range of the body address the issue of the sole respondent to raise credit and also call for the it's recording. They do about teeth. Now connected one is criminal 49, item number 49. I it's the application under section 318 and 33 for suspension of sentence passed against the by order did no suspension of sentence against the judgment and order did 29/9/21 filed by Daniel Secretary Secretary of Camp Karan in CR6 number 03/24 whereby the president convicted and 130 and sentenced to undergo SI for a period of 6 and paid a compensation of 15 lakh in default to undergo SI for another period. It is also submitted that against the state judgment and order, the petitioner preferred an appeal court granted additional state justice of Bharat in criminal act number 04 S4 2021, whereby the granted the offense, the judgment and conviction order was by the granted. He has already filed a connection against the state judgment and order of the granted administration judge. It's an attractive criminal epic number 04 S4 what is the ground? What ground do you have any?
Lordship, there was no legally enforceable debt, first of all. And in fact, the complainant failed to show that there was any legally enforceable debt. In his cross-examination part, that is very clear, Lordship.
As the respondent could not bring any the ground for as there was no enforceable debt nor any evidence of that figure by the complainant. That's accordingly the verdict submitted accused petitioner was on bail and fair trial and the on allow the if it is allowed for the paying of the spending the order that was regarded as regarded on the next 10,000, 15,000 certification of SDCM officer on certificate.
Lordship, the SDCM pass is the trial court, and
No,
Just-
you have to surrender for SDM.
Yes, yes, yes.
SDM has not. I said.
Near the Lordship. Also, petitioner before Lordship issued a check against the respondent too, and thereafter the check was dishonored. Then respondent filed a complaint case wherein I appeared 3-4 occasions and with a petition through advocate, but my petition was rejected and issued NBWA. So it is fixed in next 1/8 Lordship. So now I am making payment. I am ready to appear before the trial court.
Have you annexed any order sheet?
Yes, last page Lordship, page 19 is the impugn order. There is a last page 19. This is the impugn order. Complaint is present. Accused is absent. Issue step on as per earlier order. Complaint to take steps. This earlier orders are many orders were individual issues against me. I did not appear, Lordship.
We need the order sheet. Just when you are
Yes.
absent, then
It is not a global certified copy is here, Lordship.
file copy.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise, how come?
Yes,
There's
Lordship.
nothing.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, if you have already
Yes, Lordship.
appeared
Yes,
to the
yes,
occasion, suppose, maybe a good ground for thing, but
Yes.
it's not there.
Not there, Lordship. Yes.
So, how can you? Next date is 1/8.
1/8 time is there.
I mean, so you file an additional affidavit.
Yes,
to
yes.
Additional affidavit you file,
Yes,
but
yes.
these days may not be possible.
Yes.
It will be after.
After, yes.
Part Mr. You are Mr. Dilip, right? Dilip Day?
Yes, sir.
Part Mr. Dilip Day, you run it on. But on okay, that they have not, the petitioner has not annexed the order required for the disposal of the case. Accordingly, the petitioner states that he will file all the orders to an additional affidavit. Around. This is the matter on 67 of the petitioner also takes into it's according to 1670.
Yes.
You give all the orders in
Yes,
form of
additional.
No, this is petition is mother against the order passed by the learned additional district judge, additional session judge Kamruk. Lordship will find impugn order at page 45. It is an NI Act case, madam. 45, Lordship will find both the court below has misread the evidence, my lord. And it is clear from the judgment also that in page, Lordship will find page 52, it is clear that the complainant has admitted that he gave loan for appointment in a post, and thereafter again he is deposed that he gave loan of 7 lakhs for business purpose to the accused person. She is a lady, she was my lord employee of railway, and thereafter she deposited the check and check was found. And point is that, my lord, whether it is a legally enforceable debt, that was not totally considered. This is the ground, my lord. Because in twice there was also another CBI case. In that case, he stated that he gave 1,50,000 for giving a job. But thereafter in complaint case, he stated even that, my lord, Lordship will find at page 42, deposition in another case, he stated that I have lodged a complaint case Lordship, page 42, para 3. He stated that I do not remember what is written in the complaint, my lord. The complainant written in the complaint by the advocate. I passed higher secondary. I have not read the complaint. Whether it is believable that he cannot say what is written. So that part has not been totally ignored by the trial court as well as the appellate court. So my prayer is that Lordship may issue notice and call for the records and examine the matter, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, she is a retired lady, and there is also imprisonment of 6 months, and amount of 11 lakh has been given compensation, my lord. 11 lakh. So, my lord, in the meantime, the impugned judgment may be suspended.
Where is the prayer?
Prayer is there, my lord.
Prayer. No prayer. File a separate IA then.
Yes, my lord, I'll file IA, my lord. Yes, my lord. There is no any.
No prayer.
IA is required, my lord.
We are issuing notice.
Notice
We
may
are
be
calling
issued,
for
my lord.
the
Notice may be issued.
Okay, good. Hard system. Okay. Esta. Esta.
Interim pattern, I think,
No problem. But it is there. And of call for record. Immediately file an IA.
IA will file, my lord.
Otherwise, if this, issue notice.
Lordship.
The respondent, we are also calling for the case.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the petitioners filed this petition for quashing of the third affair, my lord. Earlier, there was an FIR on the same incident. Thereafter, one complaint petition, my lord, same incident. Third, after about 5 years, he has lost another affair, my lord. My lord, may I kindly peruse the first affair, my lord. That is at page 17, Annexure B. May I read, my lord? Well, with due respect, I beg to state that on 18/1/2020, I married Srimati Rasya Devi, aged 21 years. Since last 15 days, the accused through his mobile number 91010656, then another number, had been sending messages to my mobile number so and so, containing obscene pictures of my wife, as he had a relationship with her, and is also making obscene comments. Thereafter, on 8/3/2020 at around 3:10 p.m. in the evening, the accused called me up and abused me using profanity and threatened me, demanding rupees 2 lakhs. Otherwise, he would make obscene photo of my wife viral in social media and will ruin my married life. My lord, kindly note that affair was lost on 9/3/2020, my lord, and the mobile number using this mobile number is first 9101064656, and he threatened that 8/3/2020, my lord. Now, kindly peruse the next FIR, the next election, my lord. After lodging this FIR, my lord, police has seized that mobile phone, my lord, on 12/3/2020, my lord. Description of seizure, my lord. OnePlus bearing SIM number, that is the mobile number, my lord. That is immediately that has been seized, my lord. Now kindly come to the, my lord, CR, second complaint, my lord. That is Annexure C, page 24. Same thing repeated, my lord. The humble submission that is lodged by the wife, my lord. Humble submission of the complaint is that last year on 18/1/2020, the complainant got married to witness number 1, that is her husband, my lord. And from the first week of March last year, the accused through his mobile number, same mobile number, my lord, so-and-so had been sending pictures of some intimate moments of the complainant by obscenely editing them in his computer to the complainant's husband's mobile number so-and-so. He also disclosed to the complainant's husband that before their marriage, the complainant had an illicit relationships with the accused, and through such disclosure, the accused tried to ruin the happy married life of the complainant. On last 1/3/2020, my lord. My lord, again another date, that is 1/3/2020. That is the before lodging the first FIR, my lord. They did not mention this date, my lord, in the first FIR, my lord. What she stated? The accused, by calling my husband of the complainant, verbally abused him using profanity and threatened to post the editing obscene photographs of the complainant over social media and make them viral to ruin the happy and peaceful married life of the complainant. In this regard, on 9/3/2020, when the police was informed about the incident, they arranged for the accused to be enlarged on bail on the same day. My lord, after lodging this affair, my lord, police investigated the matter, nothing found, my lord. Thereafter, the court granted him bail, my lord. And when they were asking about the incident, they abused the PW1 instead and dropped him off the police station, due to which the complainant and the PW1 is in fear of police, and the accused remained silent. However, again on so-and-so, when the complainant, well, same thing, my lord, reiterated in the second. Now kindly come to the third one, third FIR, my lord. That is at page 28. That was lost on 26/7/23, my lord. After about 5 years, my lord. What is the new in this case, my lord? Kindly peruse, my lord. I beg to state that the below named accused is a resident of my parental village, Udaipur, that in the year 2018, my lord, married, my lord, that in the year 2018, while I was minor, 17 years, she stated that in the year she was 17 years. The below named accused had made my nut picture and forcibly and sexual intercourse with me on many occasions. The accused used to blackmail me, threatening that he will make viral all those nut photographs. He extorted me by showing those photographs and had sexual intercourse with me. I was under fear, so I did not disclose the fact to our family. Later, I was married off in the year 2020 with Ravindra Singha of Dakhin Vidyanagar, Hojai, Assam. To save my marriage and the reputation of my family, I did not disclose the incident of sexual abuse committed on me by the accused. However, the accused used to threaten me and that he would viral my photographs and destroy my marriage life if I do not agree of his demand of sexual favor. On 8 March 2020, well, earlier, 8 March, the first affair was lost. He WhatsApp a nut photo to my husband. After that, I disclosed everything to my family members and my husband's, and to save my marital life. Well, if she has disclosed those things earlier in the 8 March 2020, why she has not mentioned those things in the first FIR, my lord? Now, my lord, kindly come to the A certificate, my lord. That is school certificate of the petitioner and this informant, my lord. That is annexure G, my lord. Page 40. The petitioner was born 12/3/2020, 2000, my lord. And the informant was 8/2/1999. Then, my lord, if the content, even then, if the content is presumed to be correct, my lord, she is not called under 18 years, my lord. She is above 18 years. And the petitioner herein is 1 year younger than the informant, my lord. The boy is younger, 1 year younger, my lord. Whole thing came, my lord. My lord, may kindly came to my petition, my lord. Kindly peruse page 6 of my petition, my lord, paragraph 8, I have stated, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, if the content of the third FIR is presumed to be correct, my lord, even then the sections involved in this case does not come, my lord. That is POSCO 6 and another 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act, my lord. So it is a fit case to quash, my lord. Now at this present stage, my lord, lordships may stay the proceedings, let them come, notice may be issued to them, my lord. Lordships may kindly peruse POXO 6, my lord, for a moment, my lord. In this case, in the last FIR, POXO 6 was invoked, my lord. What does POXO 6 state, my lord? Punishment for aggravated punitive sexual assault. Whoever commits aggravated punitive sexual assault shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. Now, what is aggravated punitive sexual? That is explained in section 9, my lord. Sorry, my lord, section 8, my lord. Section 9, section 9. My lord, may I read, my lord? Aggravated sexual assault.
No.
Whoever being
Section 9.
does not come, my lord. This section doesn't involve, my lord.
Section 6 is the penal provision.
My lord.
Section 5 is the aggravated form of sexual assault. And
My
in
lord.
your case,
My lord.
she was subjected to sexual assault, or penetrative sexual assault continuously for several occasions. That's why 6 is there. Otherwise, if she had been a girl of 12 years below, then 6 is affected. Continuous sexual penetrative assault is it committed or not, then section 8 and all are different.
Even then, my lord. Then also, my lord, she was more than 18 years, my lord. And they were in a teenagers, my lord. They were in affection, my lord. When the husband came to know about their affairs, my lord, after his marriage, my lord, he filing one after another case, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the first FIR, my lord, it was not in the year 2020, my lord. The under section was 294, 387, 506, my lord. It is lost by the husband, lord.
My lord.
After their marriage, when he started disturbing them, my lord. Thereafter the second FIR, he has lost, my lord. The allegations, although the initial allegations are same, my lord, but lordship will come to, my lord, page 27, my lord. Page 27 of the, my lord, vernacular, my lord.
Yes.
May I read the, my lord, last portion, my lord. যদিও ইমান তাৰিখে 12/1/2021 তাৰিখে আছামীজনে ফৈৰাদীৰ স্বামী তথা এক নং সাক্ষীক তেওঁৰ কৰ্মক্ষেত্ৰত যোৱাৰ সময়ত দিনৰ 10 বজাত ৰামপুৰ গাঁৱত বাট আগচি ধৰি পুনৰ 2 লাখ টকা দাবী কৰে আৰু কিছু ফটো বন্ধুৰ ওচৰত পঠাইছে, কিন্তু টকা নিদিলে সম্পূৰ্ণ ছচিয়েল মিডিয়া ভাইৰেল কৰিব বুলি তীব্ৰ হুকিয়ানি দিয়াৰ লগতে হোজাই আৰক্ষীত আছামীৰ পকেটত থাকে বুলি গম্ভীৰ মন্তব্য কৰে। my lord. That FIR was, my lord, that complaint case was, my lord, lost under section 66A, E, 67 of the IT Act, reduced section 384 IPC, my lord. It was a case of extortion and, my lord, IT Act, my lord. Thereafter, the third FIR was lost, my lord. Third FIR was alleging that, my lord, when she was minor, my lord, this accused person, by taking her nude photographs also, he started, my lord, harassing her physically and, my lord, committed sexual assault, my lord. there are differences, my lord. All the three FIRs, there are different, my lord. Although, my lord, the second and third FIR lost by the wife, my lord. So at this stage, my lord, that the notice be issued and the case diary may be called for, my lord. Case diary of the, my lord, third FIR, my lord. That may be called
And now, what is the days of, suppose in first FIR, police did not take any steps, so that's why.
No, in the first FIR, subsequently charge sheet has been filed, my lord. And the second complaint case, it is for evidence stage, my lord.
Then,
And
my lord,
then
all that
third,
my lord, charge sheet, then evidence, my lord, that is also, my lord, cognizance taken. Charge must have been framed. That is why evidence. And third
and in
FIR,
the
my
third
lord,
FIR, my lord, it is notice has been issued to the petitioner, my lord. And this petitioner is a student, my lord. He is doing, my lord, I have annexed his annexure A.
I don't know. There may be some false allegation or whatever, but the allegation you see, one the girl, she was been harassed since her 17 years when she was 17 years.
My lord, she is not 17, my lord.
No, whatever. It's your submission. 17 years. If she is 18 years, it's your submission. Your
Yes, yes.
your date, birth certificate. Let us see what birth certificate collected by the
My lord,
IO.
I have annexed the document,
You have
my lord.
annexed. You have annexed. Let us see what birth certificate collected by the IO.
Yes, ma'am.
We cannot go by your birth certificate.
My lord, kindly
That's the birth certificate by you only.
My lord,
It's filed by
unless
you.
prima facie, there is no case established, my lord, in this third case, my lord. If this petitioner who is just he is younger,
She is-
1 year younger than the 1 year
It's okay.
younger than the
She was 18 at that time. Then why not 17?
my lord. Then POCSO 6 and the 75 of this
may
doesn't
not
come, my
be.
lord.
That I am-
And the allegations continuously repeated in the second, third affair, my lord. Same thing that he had demanded to be 2 lakhs and something, my lord. As because the petitioner is not arrested by the police, they are supposed to taking this POCSO Act and as a weapon, my lord, just to put him behind the bar, my lord.
Maybe I won't.
And if it is continued, my lord, it will be yes, my lord, injustice to the petitioner, my lord, which is the abuse of the process of law, my lord.
Let us.
let the
And the
case diary
Supreme
come
Court-
and
my
my
lord,
inform an APR, my lord.
But
Let
the
the
Supreme
inform an
Court-
APR also, my lord. And case diary may be called for, my lord.
Hard disturbed. Hard distribution, Kidanet 7, item number 7. Hard distribution, and also hard Mr. R.K. Purva, then activity issue notice to the private respondent number raised with the also called for the case that at this stage, do you need the other case record and all? No.
No, other case was not required because he is selling the third affair, my lord.
Child case.
Third affair. So we'll call for a, my lord. Other two
My
cases
lord-
already, my lord, cognized in second one case, my lord. The other case is charged, my lord.
Case diary of in connection with PS case number 194 2020. Oh no. Oh no. No, sorry. Call for the case diary of
My lord,
Hosai PS case number, my lord, is not
pending for it is already charged sheeted one or not yet charged?
which one, my lord?
This case is
Charge sheeted, my lord.
charged sheeted.
Hosai to.
Scan copy of the scan copy
Scan copy may be called.
along with
My lord, scan copy of all the
scan copy of the case report along with the case diary of you have mentioned the Hosai PS only. Criminal, what is the case number of?
my lord.
You have not mentioned it.
Ujay PS case number 341
No,
23, my
that
lord,
is the PS case.
which is under challenge, my lord, here, my lord.
That is the PS case number. If it is charged sheeted,
Charge sheeted, my lord. That after that, my lord, it was now the pending as my lord. Special POCSO case number 152/24, my lord. First page, my lord, last line.
of special POCSO case number 152 of 2024.
152.
152.
152 of 2024.
2000
Pending before the learned special judge
Ujay Shankar Devnagar, my lord.
You want another scan copy?
Lordship. Otherwise, the differences will not be distinguished, my lord. That is Ujay PS case number, that is
Also call for the scan copy of
Ujay PS 192.
case number 40.
CR case number 40/21, my lord.
Pending before
CGM.
Hojai, Sankotem Nagar, under
Lordship.
66E, capital letter 7 IP,
41 of 2000.
rate with 384.
40, 21. And another one is Hujai PS case number 192/2020.
We are calling this two only now,
My lord, third one. Otherwise, these similarities and similarities will not be distinguished, my lord.
and also call for the.
Hujai PS case number 192/2020.
This is Huzar PS. Is it charted one or is
It is charge sheeted, my lord. Charge sheeted, my lord.
PRC number 338.
PRC number 338/2022, my lord.
PRC is number 338.
/22.
338 of 2020.
That is 22.
This is under section 294.
38.
Under section 294, 387, 506 IPC, my lord.
294, 387, 506. Where it is pending now?
Pending before the SDGM, Hujai Shankar W. my lord.
Pending before SDPF, Hojai, Sankotem. It's accordingly up.
My lord, stay, my lord.
No.
No, notice may be issued, my lord.
Notice
may be issued.
Notice will have. After 3 weeks, we will definitely after eviction.
My lord, on the returnable date, my step interim may be considered. My lord, that observation only, my lord. If LCR came, my lord, and if it is found that all these things are similar, my lord, that observation, that pair may be considered, my lord. On the returnable date, my interim may be considered, my lord.
No.
Simple observation, my lord.
It will list it after 3 weeks.
Please, your lordship. The 438 application. Before we start, lordship would like to say that this matter that has been taken up by this petitioner before your honorable court is the petitioner. The petitioner, he has taken up this matter. Now the fact is that he is anticipating that he may be apprehended in a case which may be registered before the All Women's Police Station, Panbazar, in pursuance to an azehar, which he assumes to be lodged by his informant wife. Now, why he is assuming that his informant wife may be lodging an FIR, kindly peruse to page number 11. That is one of the FIR that has been lodged from the petitioner side against the informant wife and her family before the officer in charge of Mukalmua Police Station. Now, what has transpired for lodging the FIR from the petitioner side is that the petitioner, he was in deeply love with his informant wife, and then in the year 15/6, in the date of 15/6/2022, he had undergone Hindu marriage with the informant wife in the against the accused in the instant FIR which he has lodged before the Mukalma Police Station. Now, what has happened is that this petitioner, he has been also implicated in few number of other criminal cases where he is already enlarged on bail, and that needs to be tried. So, what has happened during his stay in the jail? The wife of the petitioner, she was taken by her family to her own matrimonial home. The reason behind the fact is that the petitioner, though, was involved in love with his wife, but his family was against their relationship. Though he had tried his level best to provide her with all the belongings as well as with clothing, jewelries and everything, which as a dutiful husband he should be supposed to do with his wife. Now, when he was inside the jail, in connection with the other cases, this petitioner wife was taken back by her family members, and then without his knowledge, they had made her to marry somebody whose name is Rinku Kolita of village Posotia, where this wife, now she is married to that particular person named Rinku Kolita. So while this husband, while he had been enlarged on bail, and while he had come out, he had no knowledge about that. In fact, during the time when he had come out, then also his wife was staying with him, and he was having a conjugal relationship. But then what happened, just few days before lodging of the FIR, before the Mukalma police station, he had tried to get in touch with her over the phone, and he was not replied back. In fact, there was some male person who had replied back, and then he came to know that now she is married to someone called Rinku Kolita. Being aggrieved, he had no other option, he had to approach the police station. And then he had lodged this FIR. Kindly peruse to page number 11, that is the FIR. May I read?
So
Okay.
he lost the FIR.
Yes, he has lost the FIR because he is now aggrieved. Now, when he has lost this FIR, the police have not registered this particular case. It is also in the form of an Ezahat. It is not yet registered. Police had contacted with the wife and had told her to come to the police station. Meanwhile, now he has come to know that the wife has approached the All Women's Police Station in Panbazar and she has lodged an Ezahat. Now that needs to be also registered. It is not yet registered. Both the cases are not yet registered. But he is presuming and he is apprehending that he may be implicated in a case, in a false case which may be lost from her or from her family. So apprehending that particular assumption and keeping in of the mind that he is already on bail, so praying before this court that no coercive action may be taken against him if any case is registered.
Okay, you just make an inquiry.
Seems to be a husband and wife case, my lord, and they have also filed, my lord, on restitution of conjugal life. My lord. So at least let him appear before the, my lord, before the police, my lord. If any case is registered, my lord, that will obtain instruction, my lord.
So, but he is praying some interim prayer, I think.
Interim prayer, my lord, only, my lord, because now we do not know whether case has been registered
That's
or
what
not,
I'm
my lord.
saying. That may be registered tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
My lord.
Just make an inquiry and tell us.
Yes, my lord. Let it
Then
be
we are
on
listing it
Thursday,
tomorrow.
my lord. Because Friday it will be, my lord. Friday there will be a lot of cases, my
Lots
lord.
of cases.
So let it be on
Thursday?
Thursday, my lord.
We're keeping it on Thursday. Let us make an inquiry and we'll see.
My lord, the fact is that the Supreme Court already has held it.
That is
Yes.
one
Yes,
judgment
my
is
lord.
there. That
Yes.
is the, okay. We have
He will cooperate with the any investigation that.
let's see what is the stage of it. Let's make an inquiry. Thursday?
Wednesday, my lord. Let it be on Wednesday.
And
You can
Wednesday?
take the instruction over phone also, my lord.
Yes, over phone also. You can.
Wednesday, my lord.
Now, I commit. We are activate. Participate W1 meeting. Then each under section 438 of the CRPC taking 3 years fail with an apprehension that it may be arrested in connection with the fire it lost by his wife in all women stopping this one. Mr. R.J. Botha submitted that he may make an inquiry in the police station of all women police station whether any FIR has been registered in with let the matter be listed on page 6. Make an inquiry. Just over telephone also you can make an inquiry. Will let us know. On 26.
Or 26.
So we are listing it on 20. Even if you can receive a report on in WhatsApp also, then you can
Yes.
specify for us. Because it is a matrimonial dispute, there may be a talk with both parties. In that case, there may not be any restriction on the case also.
Yes,
And,
yes.
and my lord, till Wednesday, if they receive any notice, my lord, 41 and notice, my lord.
No action.
If it is, my lord, below 7 years, my lord. Then he can, my lord, definitely he can appear.
Yes, he will appear in person to any notice.
If suppose within Wednesday, if any notice is good,
within the period.
Because if it is related to matrimonial dispute, my lord, then my lord, it will be below 7 years only, my lord.
Then how can you want to say that one if a interim player should be there?
No, my lord, I'm submitting that, my lord, till Wednesday, my lord.
Then let's find the report.
So then, my
He will
lord, my lord will obtain instruction, my lord.
On Wednesday, my lord?
On Wednesday.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. 438 application, my lord. FIR in page, my lord, 8, annexure 1.
Now tell us, is it not a chartered one?
No, my lord.
Since when he is in custody?
No, my lord.
No, this is anticipated
AB,
bill,
my
my
lord.
lord.
Oh, it's the AB only.
AB, my lord. FIR is at, my lord, page 11.
Vernacular portion is 11, my lord.
The FIR name accused person also will only, my lord, schedule the case there.
My lord,
There are material, my lord.
No, my
Case
lord,
been implicated.
the case is registered under section 363, my lord. That is not, does not arise, my lord. 342 does not arise, and section POXO also does not arise. It may be registered at least unnatural offence 377, my lord. But here is a POXO is given, my lord. So lordship,
The boy is a minor boy, my lord. So let the case
minor,
diary
my
be
lord,
case diary along with the medical.
petitioner also my lord, aged about 20 years. Only lordship may consider my lord para 7, my lord. What is actually happened? Para 7, my lord. Lordship may consider. Page 4, para 7, my lord. Actually, what is the fact, my lord? My lord, that fact is that father of the petitioner cultivated maize which is situated backside of the house of the informant, my lord. The said maize cultivation was about to time of harvest, but the victim boy used to steal the maize corn from the maize cultivation. On 8/4/24, the victim was caught red-handed by the petitioner at the time of the stealing the maize corn. Then the petitioner frightened to victim not to steal maize corn. Otherwise, the petitioner would file case against the name of the parents of the victim. Then the victim revoked to the petitioner, so the petitioner kicked to the victim in his backside and thereby the victim sustained injury, my lord. That is the thing, my lord. But they lost the case, my lord, just to harass us, my lord. That is, my lord, I humbly stated that things. I kicked that boy in the backside, my lord. And that is his, my lord. And that's...
It will be obviously after vacation only. So
22nd, my lord. 22nd July.
My lord, interim protection.
Not a case of interim.
And my lord, then medical report also called for if such thing.
Yeah, medical report will come along with the case.
Along with the company. Also, case date along with the
22nd, my lord.
22nd of July. Just after.
In this case, your lordship, the petitioner who is the accused in a case instituted on the basis of an FIR filed by the CBI, your lordship. In fact, your lordship, he is preparing the present petition, your lordship, seeking permission from this honorable court to travel to meet his son in US, your lordship. In fact, your lordship, earlier, if your lordship sees your lordship's order at page 35. This is your lordship's order. In 2022, your lordship granted permission to him. He went there, met, and then came back again, your lordship, as per the direction of the honorable court, your lordship. Your lordship, page 42, your lordship, may para 16, your lordship's direction, your lordship.
So that time he went and
He came back, your lordship, as per the by following the term, complying the terms and conditions of this honorable court, your lordship. And now what has happened, your lordship, he now again want to go to meet his son, your lordship, there in US, and he will return back. But at the moment, your lordship, what has happened, your lordship, since there is a case pending, your lordship, we need to, now your lordship, his passport is expiring. He needs to apply for renewal, your lordship. For that purpose, your lordship, we need to have permission from the honorable court to apply for the renewal.
This is for renewal purpose.
Renewal as well as, your lordship, for travel purpose. On the point of, your lordship, travel, they may file their objection, your lordship. But as on date, your lordship may permit me to apply there, your lordship, during pendency of this petition, your lordship.
There is no such prayer, lordship, except for renewal of passport, lordship. There is no prayer.
We have made a statement, your lordship. Your lordship will kindly come to my statement. Ashwin. Your lord, para 19, your lordship.
Para 19.
Page 13.
You have not
Para 9.
or there is no any kind of such kind of prayer. It is a
Lord.
prayer that the maybe for their early education of
Lord.
That's not only. Otherwise, there's no such kind of
The
prayer.
prayer is, your lordship, prayer number 1, basically our prayer, your lordship. Prayer 1 and 2, your lordship. Since they have rejected my application, your lordship, therefore we have to come before this honorable court, your lordship. CBI, your lordship. And your lordship will, that your lordship, page 18, your lordship may kindly come, the order. As per this order, your lordship, page 19. Page 19, your lordship, condition number 2. That's why we that's why we applied first before the CBI, your lordship. When they rejected, your lordship, therefore we have to come before this honorable court.
Where is the order?
Your lordship, their rejection is, your lordship will get it at page 34. It's a very cryptic order, your lordship. In this regard, it is informed that your request for going abroad on these grounds given by you cannot be acceded to at this stage, as various matters are pending before the learned trial court and the Honorable Guwahati High Court. That apart, so and so is also pending under the further investigation. Now, your lordship, only one case is pending, not various matters. Various matter includes one case, your lordship, which your lordship has already heard, your lordship. Regarding that, your lordship, voice sample, your lordship. That is the only case pending, your lordship. Otherwise, your lordship, other than that, your lordship, there is no case pending, your lordship. And your lordship has already, earlier, your lordship, explained the law, and thereafter, your lordship passes an order, your lordship, by which I was allowed to go to, and I complied with those directions, your lordship. It is not that I have not complied with, I have violated anything. Therefore, your lordship, there cannot have any, your lordship, reason for the CBI, that too without giving any specific reason, your lordship. By simply saying that there are various cases pending, that cannot be a ground for rejection of my application, your lordship. When your lordship has earlier passed an order, your lordship, explaining the various aspects of your lordship granting permission, and also I have relied on certain judgments your lordship has quoted in para 9, your lordship, of your lordship's judgment, your lordship.
Lordship, as already submitted, lordship, 2 cases are pending. Tomorrow 1 case is fixed for final hearing, deposited doctor, and CC is fixed for hearing, lordship. Consideration of charge, lordship. And the ground taken by the petitioner.
One is which one?
Revision petition is pending tomorrow, lordship. It's fixed tomorrow for voice sample.
Tomorrow? Here?
Yes, in this court, lordship. Regarding the voice sample, we have already argued that Shweta Kumar and deposited doctor, that case, lordship. It's fixed tomorrow. Only on the point of delay, condemnation of delay, that matter will be heard tomorrow by this honorable court. Otherwise, they have also completed, we have also completed our argument. And secondly, lordship,
my presence is not required for that, your lordship.
Another matter is the trial court, in trial court, lordship, because the case was fixed for consideration of charge, lordship. So therefore, at this stage, lordship, at least it is not feasible, lordship, I think. Not permissible to, if charge be plain, lordship, his presence will be required. His presence will be required.
No, it's okay, but the now first prayer is sufficient prayer, that is the going abroad is permission in regard to permission.
Yes.
So that is definitely you are going to file an objection.
Yes.
This accepts. Now he is saying that his passport will expire on 24/7. In that case, what happens?
I'll have to take instruction note.
In 24/7.
Yes.
Because as per them, 24/7 the passport may be expired.
No.
So before that, whether can we read it? Can
No. Let me take instruction. Let notice be issued, Lordship. Let notice be issued. 24/7 no. Then immediately. Huh? Lordship, then let the matter be fixed on Friday. I'll take the instruction and surprise Lordship. By Friday, I'll let this honorable court know what is the scan of CPL.
That part regarding the permission to go abroad and all this part
That
will
is
definitely
right.
after filing your submission
Lordship.
that may be hard.
Lord.
But the question they raised that regarding the expiry of their
passport. Let us
take
see.
instruction
Yes.
Friday.
Yes.
Please do it.
Lords.
Do it instruction Friday. Please complete.
And it.
Deep Lord. Deep you.
Beverly Lordship. For 439 application, my lord. This is NDPS case, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner was arrested on, my lord, was forwarded, my lord, on 30th of October 2023, my lord. As on today, my lord, 237 days, my lord. 7 months and 24 days. Here the allegation, my lord, your lordship will find. I will take your lordship to the statement of the present petitioner and the co-accused, my lord. Co-accused was the, my lord, owner of the vehicle, where, my lord, the present petitioner was engaged as a driver. He came from Manipur, driving the vehicle of the accused number 1, my lord, without knowing anything regarding the contentment in the vehicle, my lord. Even this is his statement, my lord, the statement of the owner of the vehicle, my lord. Your lordship will find. My lord, they have filed their affidavit, my lord. In their affidavit, my lord, your lordship will find the statement of the co-accused as well as the present petitioner, my lord. My lord, in their affidavit, Annexure D, my lord. Annexure D, page number 33, my lord. voluntary statement of Mohammad Faris Malot. He was the owner of the vehicle, Malot. And Malot, the page 33, Malot, the bottom para, Malot. On dated 2 Malot, I and Mohammad Salahuddin made with one driver, namely Mohammad Jayed Khan, the present petitioner, Malot, and told him to carry the consignment of heroin from Manipur up to Kokrajhar, Assam in Maruti Swift car bearing registration number so. For this work, he will be paid rupees 20,000. Due to greed of money, he got ready to go.
NCB is not. You have to call it again.
Yeah, NCB case.
Just we are trying to inform.
May I please, Your Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for the day after tomorrow?
The adjournment will be difficult now.
My lord, the NDPS case, my lord, commercial quantity, my lord, from his position to Mrs. examine, my lord, they have implicated the present case.
That will be
After vacation.
Highly obliged.
If they take a date now, 23/7 we are listing. Let's fix it. Listing at
My lord, in item number 15, since the council of NCB is not here, so my matter will be taken up after summer vacation, my lord.
Want to fix it after summer vacation?
After summer vacation, my lord.
No, the matter of New York fix it. 23/7.
Yes, sir.
23/7 after vacation.
My lord, in item number 16, my lord, in the meantime, Lordship may call for up-to-date status report, my lord.
In item number after the status report, it's called.
My lord, obliged.
May please, Your Lordship, the list after vacation, Lordship, commercial quantity.
In this case, my lord, investigation is almost completed, my lord. My lord, it's a commercial quantity, my lord, and FSI report also collected, my lord.
Since when your petition is in custody?
From March, Lord.
March.
Today is 115 days, my lord.
Then after vacation?
After
Immediately after vacation, otherwise, my lord, we'll send the case diary for my lord.
Or you want to keep it, retain this case diary?
But that we don't want to retain, my lord. If he lordship fix the sorted, my lord, then after vacation we'll send.
Sorted will not.
After vacation we'll return the case diary, my lord.
15, Lordship, after vacation. 15, 16.
Don't keep it on 15, that is 16. 16, 7. Case diary, they may be done. Calling up that.
This look.
May I please, Your Lordship? 439 application, Lordship. FIR is registered under section 21B and 29 of NDPS Act. Petitioner was arrested on 27/4/2024, 60 days offence. As of date, 58 days behind the bar.
Yes.
So it is pending for FSI report also, and we have enquired today also, my lord. FSI report not collected, my lord. It is not, perhaps not ready.
So your petitioner is behind the bar since?
27/4.
So today is?
58.
58. Mr. D may be done at council. Not so hard.
There are material in the case diary, my lord. But my lord, only my lord, the 58.
RJ Purva, then application. Submit. No, if it. However, most of the is that I got time. Next one. there are however, on inquiry made by Mr. Purva, he informed that he feel that the police has not calculated associated and then it possible by the considering years of and also of fighting or for and not where he is from?
Imphal.
Oh, he's from Imphal.
There might have some mistake condition may be improved.
He is also an HIV patient, Lord.
And what is the problem? Just where? Special just?
Kamrup Metro, Lord.
Dispose.
Made please, Lordship. Lordship, this is an application under section 439 CRPC as on today 45 days behind the bar. And allegation under section 7 of the Prevention of Corruption Act, allegation is that he has taken rupees 3,000 as bribe for releasing some contractual dues, Your Lordship. FIR Lordship will get at page number 10.
So this is your relief?
My lord.
Or
it's a theft case, my lord. He was caught, my lord, who are accepting the bribe, my lord.
no, you will deal with the case?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I thought the CBI is involved. No, not CBI is not involved.
No, CBI is not involved. No, ACB, my lord.
So allegation is that, Your Lordship, he has taken some rupees 3,000 while releasing contractual dues. FIR at page 10, Your Lordship. Lordship, my humble submission is that I speak so and so, I have completed the construction work of extension of boundary wall of Pakaitari GP campus under the 15th Finance Commission in the month of October 2023. The contract was for an amount of rupees 2.86 lakhs. The work had already been completed about 8 months ago. Accordingly, I have already made a bill voucher by assistant engineer. After examination of the state bill is correct, in the absence of our GP president, it was submitted to the BDO of Matia Development Block, Sri S.S. Sikdar, for releasing the amount. The state bill had released by the BDO as two parts, that is 75% of the bill was already released and the rest 25% bills were still pending. On 4/5/2024, the complainant went to the office of the BDO Matia Development and approached the BDO to release his pending bill. Then the said BDO Matia Development Block named so and so demanded rupees 3,000 as bribe to release his payment against the bills. So subsequently it is the case that he was caught red-handed while
Where is
taking...
the original FIR? Is it translated one?
Lordship. Original is at page number 11. Now this petitioner, he was initially appointed as a Gram Sevak, GS, and his appointment letter, Lordship, will get at page number 19. So, for about 30 years he had served as the Gram Sevak, Your Lordship, and just in the month of March 2024, this year, Your Lordship, he was promoted to the post of Assistant Block Development Officer. So, page 19 is his joining letter as the Gram Sevak, Your Lordship, in the year 1992, and at page 21, Lordship will get page 21 that he was released from the post of Gram Sevak to join in his promotional post of Assistant Block Development Officer just on 1st March 2024. In pursuance of Government Order Number so and so, Muhammad S.S. Sikdar, Gram Sevak under Jarajpur Development Block is hereby released on 1st March 2024 to enable him to join in his new place of posting at Matia Development Block as Assistant Block Development Officer. So he was promoted on 1st March. He was released on 2nd March. He joined as Assistant Block Development Officer. And on 13 March, Lordship will get, he was given the charge of in-charge video due to the transfer of the main video over there. On 13th of March, page number 22, I have annexed. So immediately after joining of him as the BDO, Your Lordship, this petition approached him. He said that I have completed the work and I have already submitted the bills. The bills are not being released. Accordingly, he had consulted with the official authority and immediately released 75% of the bill amount. That is admitted in the FIR also. 75% he has released. Thereafter, the petitioner was pressing him to release 25%. He said that I have just recently joined, and if I get approval from higher authority, subject to availability of fund, I will return the same. But he was insisting. He said that no, I am a senior contractor, and if you don't give, he also threatened him, Your Lordship. Ultimately, Your Lordship, on the fateful day, he came to the office of the petitioner, and he gave rupees 3,000 to the petitioner. As he did not keep it, Your Lordship, he kept it under his nameplate. And he was about to leave. At that time, the petitioner took the money and asked him that you take your money, 25% I cannot release now because I have no money or I have not got any authority as to release it. And at that time, the police officials came and arrested him, Your Lordship. Ultimately, Your Lordship, he has already been arrested. In the meantime, he has been suspended 45 days behind the bar, Your Lordship, and statutory period is up to 60 days under Section 7A, Your Lordship. And there is no chance that he will now also hamper or temper the judicial evidence there because he has already been suspended and he will face the trial, Your Lordship. He was initially in police custody for 4 days and thereafter he is in judicial custody, Your Lordship.
My Lord, there are material in the case there, my Lord. He was arrested, my Lord. Initially he demanded bribe, my Lord. Then, my Lord, informant lodged a complaint before the Anti-Corruption Bureau, my Lord. Then they organized a theft case, my Lord, and he was caught red-handed, my Lord, by accepting the bribe. So as far as the materials are concerned, there are sufficient materials in the case. And my Lord, investigation it is pending, my Lord, to collecting, my Lord, the voice sample recording, my Lord, because initially, my Lord, they spoke to each other through mobile phone, my Lord. That report has been, my Lord, mobile phone recording, my Lord, that has been sent to FSL.
That is sent if it comes also.
It is his, my Lord, voice or not. Only that is pending, my Lord, in the case.
It has already been sent, Your Lordship. It will come also, Your Lordship. If he is there, he will face the trial, Your Lordship.
Whether voice sample has already been taken or not yet?
No, it is recorded and it is sent for FSL, my Lord.
FSL report is not yet.
That is awaited, that is pending.
45 days, Your Lordship. 60 days is the statute. On the last occasion also, my friend has said that FSL is yet to come. So the court said that, okay, let us wait for some days. Now already 45 days and already FSL, the boss sample is collected, Your Lordship. It may come to the authority also, Your Lordship. And there is no other chance that he will tamper with the evidence. He has already been suspended in the meantime also. He will face the trial 45 days behind the bar, judicial custody now, Your Lordship. And the allegation is that while for 75% he did not ask money, only for 25% of rupees 2.86 lakh he was demanding 3,000. 75% there is no allegation that for 75% he had demanded some money. After joining, when he came to know, he immediately released 75% and only
regarding the release of 75,000 while at the time of releasing the 75%, because it is the admitted fact that 70% of the bill amount is already
released.
While that releasing the amount,
that is mentioned in
there
the
is yes. But whether at that time also there was any such kind of allegation against him?
As per FIR, my Lord, that is not mentioned, my Lord.
No, FIR is not there in your material.
My Lord, when the, my Lord, 25 bill is, my Lord, supposed to be released, my Lord, then he demanded 3,000 rupees.
FIR also. For 2.86 lakh.
2.6, 25% will be about some 70-75,000. Already majority of the portion released.
For 2.86 lakh is demanding 3,000. Very less.
If it my Lord takes 100 rupees also, my Lord, it will be treated as a bribe.
Now he will face the trial, Your Lordship, since they have already collected the money.
What is the custody, the further custody interdiction will be required? Is there any such kind of note from
my
the
Lord,
IO?
that is not there, my Lord.
IO from IO, is there any?
45 crore. Only for 4 days he was in police custody and since thereafter in judicial custody, Your Lord.
There is a written objection from the IO, Lord. But he has accepted, my Lord, to oppose the bail, my Lord. It was sent on 10th of June, my Lord.
It was then?
10th of June, my Lord. when the case, my lord, matter was first listed for my lord hearing bail hearing.
No, today is 20.
There are, as far as materials are concerned, there are sufficient materials in it. And he was called red-handed, my lord. There are independent witnesses.
So you oppose the bail application or considering the length of
No, my lord. As far as the, my lord, materials are concerned, I oppose, my lord. If lordship, my lord, consider is my lord length of detention, my lord, then I leave it to your lordship. Because there are sufficient materials in the case.
You will face the trial.
Pardon. Where is this pending?
Special judge. Assam. Assam Guwahati. Obliged.
Here also, my lord, NCD would be required, my lord. So they are not here. Can it be taken on Thursday, my lord? Today itself.
Thursday not possible to leave today or not then after vacation.
Because I would be praying for bail, my lord, because I am standing on the same footing as this Honorable High Court has provided the bail to another person, and relying upon many of the Supreme Court judgments, my lord, for long incarceration, 4 years and 1 month, without the charge being framed, my lord. So on that ground, I would be pressing for bail.
Thursday may not be possible if at 9 NCP we have not seen the NCP people today.
My lord. So let it be on Friday.
Thursday, Friday, I mean,
Okay,
it will be a problem. So can we wait for some time?
Sure.
If they will try to inform them, but today we have not seen the NCP people. Standing counsel of NCP is also not there, and the other one is also not there. So I don't know how to keep that gets come on. There could be NCP matters were there, but we are not finding you. Why?
Actually, I'm extremely sorry. I was appearing in court number 24, Lord. That is why I
His record is scan copy we have already received.
not received, Lord.
Oh, scan copy is not received. Where from it has come? From Guwahati?
Kamrup Control, my lord.
Kamrup.
My lord.
Yes, what is your sub? Now he is praying for bail, considering his long
Incarceration, my lord. For 4 years and 1 month.
Lordship, scan copy may be called for, Lord.
That was to call for it.
No, but I've got the report that charge is yet to be framed, my lord. This is the last order I have taken out, 35 copies. That is fixed on 26th of this month, my lord, for framing of charge. So there is not much there in the case record.
Yes, it is there.
Lordship, in
Fixed
this
on
case,
26/6 for as per his submission order he submitted. That copy.
Point of charge, my lord.
Fixed on 26/6 for hearing on point of charge.
Lordship, till 2020, Lord, 23, Lordship, one of the accused person, two accused person were absconded, Lordship. That is why it has been delayed, Lordship. Till 2023,
No,
Lordship.
whatever, we are good. Now we have not received the case record. I mean,
Yes,
can
Lordship.
copy.
Elsewhere is required, Lordship.
We have 5 minutes. We try to get it by Thursday then.
My lord. Additional Session Judge number 3, my lord, Kamrup Metro.
Huh?
From the court of Additional Session Judge number 3, my lord, Kamrup Metro.
Now see, there are various observations by the Honorable Supreme Court regarding the incarceration, but it matters. It varies to the case to case. So in your case, I don't know what is there, but try to do it.
My lord, it's just 4 years and 1 month. That is,
Otherwise, we have to fix it after vacation only.
my lord, let it be on Thursday or Friday, my lord. Is my humble prayer. Because it's been long incarceration.
Saturday I am going out, so
My
Friday
lord.
we are going this.
Let me take chance, my lord, either on Thursday or Friday. If it comes, then it's fine. Otherwise, after vacation.
Reminder কৰিলে আহি যাব জানো Thursday? Will it be? We can petition for Thursday.
Petition for
Yeah, petition Thursday will be case diary. I mean, case record not then definitely go after vacation. We'll see to otherwise we are fixing it up later.
All right.
Really obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, 439 bail application, offence under 22A of and 29 of NDPS Act, and today, Your Lordship, CD has been voided.
CD receipt.
Receipt. Oh, okay. FIR at page 11, Your Lordship. Petitioner is not FIR request, Your Lordship. He has been arrested on suspicious ground. And Your Lordship, another not FIR request has been enlarged on bail granted by the additional session judge Kamrup Metro. Lordship, with your permission, Your Lordship, I am relaying that order, printed copy.
Have you annexed the order? No. You have annexed here?
No, Lordship. This order passed on 7/6/2024 after filing this bail application. No. In order copy, Your Lordship, if we'll find page 3, Your Lordship, down below, having gone through, the CD has been submitted, the accused has been arrested and sent to the jail Hazrat in connection with this case, and there are some materials available against the accused person. However, he has no objection if the accused is allowed to go on bail.
Your petitioner got arrested, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Arrested on
12/5/20. Yes, Lordship. Today is 42 days, Your Lordship.
Anyway.
It's a similar thing. They all are drug peddlers, selling drugs to Prakash, Puri, etc. They used to receive drugs from the outside Assam, from Bengal and Manipur. Thereafter, they sold it locally. They used to sell locally.
And the recovery may be small quantity.
Recovery may be small quantity, but they are in small quantities. They are selling to others.
Recovery from other co-accused, not petitioner, Your Lordship.
When they were
29 is there.
Yes, when they were interrogated, the gang, the name of the other gang member came into light. That is Prakash Giri and another person, and this petitioner, all are in the same.
One thing. Otherwise, they are better.
Yes.
It's not a case of
Yes.
recovery, they are better.
Yes.
They are better. There may be other culprits may also be there.
Yes.
Who is also get in connected with it.
Yes.
So, file within vacation before running trial court.
Yes.
On the same thing, maybe.
Yes, they can.
Because they otherwise also it
Yes.
has already been considered
Yes.
by the landed additional station judge.
Yes.
Number
1. Then 5 was that he was arrested also, and it was granted not satisfied.
Yes.
Because there will be a case of things, because they are observation different. Better to withdraw the type.
Lordship can be considered because here also maybe
They are better, in fact. They are better. One issue of recovery may be this, but others they are better.
recovery not
the
from
accuracy. Can find it because same observation may be there by the child court. So if you draw otherwise it may be better than may be both. So let us it's up to you.
Lordship.
We will go by the case record and case.
Lordship.
Yes. What?
Lordship, as my humble submission before your Lordship, Lordship may can consider the petitioner in-laws on bail because already co-accused has been released on bail by the court below. So Lordship is the superior court. Your Lordship may consider because here Lordship doctrine of priority also may be applied. So, Lordship kindly look in the matter for the interest of the.
My submission is there are materials against this petitioner. Though the Lordship, the learned trial court has granted, the Lordship may not have a different opinion. That is there. So CD reflects, they all are in the same gang operating this business. And because today, just now CD came from the session court. Very well, yeah. Very well, he can approach there. He can approach there as far as Lordship have indicated.
Yes. So what I have taken to make it reduced there. That's fine.
Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship petitioner as on date 42 days under incarceration. There is no recovery from the petitioner and petitioner has only bread earner of his family. There is no other person to take care of his family. If we again approach the court below, there will be again there will be delay, and because today second time CD has been received by this learned
You
people.
will pass the order.
Lordship.
Not granting it will pass the order.
Lordship.
I will submit the CD.
Deeply aware.
My pleasure, Lordship. Today is 75 days, Lordship. Recovery 6.190 gram, Lordship. So, page, Lordship, the inventory report is there, Lordship.
Page 12, there is the forwarding line.
Yeah.
Page 12.
He is Abdul Ali.
Abdul Ali.
Abdul.
Page 14, Lordship,
What is the reason why you have prayed for Abdul?
Lordship,
Simple case. Why you have
the
prayed
Lordship, his mother was expired today, Lordship, in 5:30.
Have you filed anything? In that regard, have you filed anything? Certificate of marriage? Where from will come to know that his mother expired? Is nothing.
No, in the telephonic, Lordship, the petitioner.
File an affidavit.
Affidavit, Lordship, not filed.
That's not fine. So there's nothing to see that his mother expired. So you have prayed for application. There is no material at all. Yes, otherwise what?
Otherwise,
Saying
well,
that he is 75.
56 days in custody.
57.
why 75 days? You think?
75, 57. 57, he arrested.
Otherwise, I'm saying it's
75, ma'am.
No, Lordship,
Yes, ma'am.
57 days, Lord. Yes, total.
57 days and the recovery is minus from him
6.190
gram.
Intermediate. After
And Ahmed.
you're on 43. You're 40, 45. And China. That From him, recovery is there.
Yes, the recovery is there.
Also, and it also further it is that
itu lagi apa? Warna tu kan? Nama itu Abdul Lalim. Amar Abdul Lalim pinjam apa? Itu ulai itu. No, ya warning bukan. Itu Abdul Lalim. Jam tu hal apa? Pinjam apa? Tampura ni license. Ya, ikan tu ya nama tu. Abdul Lalim itu. Nanti ni dia tu. Apa 9.7?
Where is pending?
The list of the
Port है ना?
Barbados special तो
CTM port. Oh no, not CTM.
Special तो.
Special. So that. He is from?
He is from my village Baksa, my Baksa.
Baksa?
Baksa. Near Borobuda Road, the town. Diploma.
That is the lordship. 413 application, my lord. Our case was registered under section 21B, my lord. As on today, 56 days is behind the bar, my lord. And quantity is my intermediate quantity, 12.94 gram, my lord.
12.94 is intermediate.
Yes, my lord. 5 gram is small quantity, 5 gram, my lord. Commercial is 250 gram, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, Mogar is wife going to birth a baby, my lord, on or before 14/7/2024, my lord. Mogar his mother is also illness, my lord.
So, Gustavi, is there any kind of thing that
No, only
within is the statutory period there?
21B, man.
No, 21B, 60 days offense. 60 days. Is there any note that will be, the charge sheet will be submitted?
Oh, no, man. Nothing is there.
FSN report is already received?
No. No.
Not received.
No, man.
FSN report is still awaited?
Still awaited. Last 26 note, man. FSN awaited. You?
The case of Lahori Ghat,
Morigaon, my lord.
37.10 with plastic and 12.9 without.
Hello, Lazman.
May I please? But today is the 81 days, madam. The petitioner is behind the bar, madam. Though the case is registered under section 360 IPC, 377(4) of the POSCO Act, madam. Probably, madam,
you have not taken step.
No, we have taken it, but it was sent about 11/6 only, madam.
Then what would
On the last day, madam, I will try my luck, madam. On 28, madam. Otherwise, madam, he is completed 90 days, madam. In the meantime, madam.
is it a chartered one or not?
No, madam. On 28, madam. I will try my luck, madam. It was sent to OC, madam. So
Like
Taken out only on 11.
Yes. Otherwise, my lord, the mandatory period will be over. That is after vacation.
Maybe, but it's the oximeter.
Oximeter.
Today is 81.
81, my lord. Right.
So we are not in a position to say anything.
In
also
Indian,
because,
on 20th,
he is also
it is also not here.
Otherwise, you can take one instruction
Yes.
from the federal discharge.
Yes.
Ready for 5 hours.
Yes.
That information may take.
Yes, my lord.
28.
28.
Information may be taken. If it is already there, then if not bail is not there. If it's
No.
So we are listing it on 20.
Yes, madam. Applause.
May I please, Lordship, my lord? Petitioner is, my lord, 55 days behind the bar, my lord. My lord, allegation is 21B, my lord. Police FR lost that 8.06 gram, including the plastic polythene, my lord. Excluding, my lord, excluding the polythene, my lord, it may be less than 5 grams. So it is very much small quantity.
So what says?
Yes, there is a small form, my lord. Petitioner is the heart patient, my lord. He took the treatment at Negrimet Shillong. Thereafter referred to the Morigaon Civil Hospital, my lord, and he is undergoing treatment, my lord.
Withdrawal symptoms were there. It's heart. Withdrawal symptoms were there.
55 days behind the bar. 55 days behind the bar.
55, but he is not a heart patient. Is there anything there that after the actual weight was, is there any actual, whether, in regards to actual weight, is there anything?
No, actual weight is we come to my lord.
Hmm? 1920.
8.15 grams, sir.
8.1.
Including the weight of plastic, that is 1.10 gram. Plastic weight is 1.10 gram.
1.10.
1.10 gram plastic weight.
7.
Yes, around 7.
Yes, and is there any other thing?
Any other matter, as part of my information, that they are acting as peddlers, my lord. 29, that is the 29 is introduced. That is and the FSL was just 10, my lord, but the report is yet to receive.
Why you waited for so long? DFL and KTFL.
Yes, sir. They can do.
They will go out
Yes.
and they not get the.
They can
after,
develop without
filing of
FSL
papers,
also.
they will be again at one.
Yes, and that is what is going on.
I think they have 4-5 letters they have seen.
Yes,
now.
in
Now,
small
obviously, after
quantity.
4-5 days, the deputy
Yes.
will be over. So
Yes.
4-5 days, they may not be there for
Yes.
like.
Mm.
They take that at one.
Yes, that's taking the advantage.
Quantity may be less or
Yes,
more, or
quantity may-
there may be the difficulty, but they are better.
their role has to be
Role
better.
has- Okay, yeah, it's case of he's from Bhing, and
And after after 4 days, it can be fixed.
My lord,
4
actual
days
fact,
means when
Before vacation.
my lord, actual
before
fact, my lord,
vacation will be on 28.
Yes, then it will be 59 days prior.
my lord, actual fact is, my lord,
It's your 28.
No.
If you have any
Then I'll.
28 then. 23 and 26.
Full.
This one.
Full.
You take one some instruction of that.
Well, actual, my lord, the petitioner is the daily laborer, my lord. He was taken the tea in the tea stall, and at this moment, my lord, the one stranger for people in civil dress, he kept the packet in the table, and then the civilian in the civil dress, the police arrived there and caught him, and that allegation brought that he is that NDPS materials were found on in the possession of the petitioner. This is the main fact, my lord. He is never a habitual offender, my lord. He is not committed that offence as alleged, my lord. The allegation brought that 8.06 gram found in the possession of the petitioner. Actually, he is the absolute innocent people, my lord. He is also now taking the treatment also in the Moriga hospital. Earlier was taken from 18th May of 18, 19, 20 May at Nilgiri at Shillong, my lord. So on account of this many innocency, my lord.
26, let me take simple instruction.
May I please your lordship, lordship 439 application, my lord. My lord, 52 days as on today. My lord, Annexure 1, page 10 is the FIR. My lord, here many sections are given, my lord. Out of which 354, 376 and 379 non-billable, my lord. 376, my lord, and my lord, Annexure 1, page 10, my lord, might remember this. Annexure 1, page 10 is the FIR, my lord, might remember this FIR. Execution. Next one, it came up and my lord has given 48 reasons for this. Annexure 1, page 10 is there. Actually, between two, they are in a relationship. They went together to a hotel at Rukmini Gaon from Satgaon, Guwahati. And then thereafter, my lord, there was a heated argument and this FI was lost. Annexure 1, page 10.
I have seen the FIR, contents of the FIR is
very, yes, my lord. And my lord, if we go by these sections also, my lord, 354, 376 and 379 are, my lord, non-bailable. 376 might not come, my lord, if we go by contents also. 354 might be and 379 might be, and it is 52 days today, my lord. And he is also a student, actually, my lord. There's fight between them and they went.
Yes.
CD we have not received.
You have not received?
No, ma'am.
Oh, that we have fixed up for vacation only in that day.
My lord is 52 days ago. Okay. Just 376, my lord. 376 might not come.
And can we take a chance by 27, 28?
No.
You may take a chance.
Otherwise,
it will be after vacation.
Lord.
My lord.
I mean, you know, the
Yes.
FIR is...
Yes, my lord. That I understand.
It's so...
Exaggeration is perhaps there, ma'am. 27.
It's too much.
27.
My lord, my lord. Oblige, my lord. Oblige.
Is that really, it is retained since 5-6 or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, no, not received, no?
CD is not received, madam. In January we have not received. They are on interim, madam. Anyway, madam, let it be immediately after the vacation, madam. On 22, madam. 23.
May I please your lordship? In this case, lordship, the petitioner is on interim bail, lordship. He appeared, statement recorded. Yes, I was following. FIR, Lordship, is at page number 17.
He is the owner, driver. Who is he?
He is the owner of the cattle, Lordship. Page 17 is the FIR. Page number 17, Lordship, is the FIR. I am reading the second paragraph, Lordship. During the inquiry, the driver and helper could not produce any legal document of the ownership of 20 numbers of cattle and also failed to produce the veterinary certificate of the said cattle. It is suspected that the cattle were stolen as well as carried illegally in the said vehicle. Thereafter, the vehicle loaded with 20 numbers of cattle have been seized and so in presence of the independent witness. And the below named driver and helper of the said vehicle have been apprehended. Dear Lordship, so far as the documents are concerned, Lordship, I have annexed the cattle purchasing receipts. Moreover, Lordship, the petitioner have approached the learned court below seeking custody of the vehicles, Lordship, custody of the cattle, Lordship. And Lordship, the custody of the cattle has been given to the petitioner, Lordship. Therefore, Lordship, my humble submission is that so far section 379 is concerned, Lordship, that may not be applicable. And Lordship, the other section 11(1)(d), that is punishable with, Lordship, only 50 rupees fine. He is on interim, Lordship. His statement has been recorded.
Yes, yes. In one section, my lord, in one way, my lord, he is admitting his guilt, my lord, because when he is in the interim, he has stated that he is transferring those cattle to Meghalaya, my lord, which by law he cannot do it, my lord, without proper authority, my lord. In that way, my lord, he is under section 13(1)(16), my lord. This exception is not available, my lord. Look at it.
Where he is at?
In his now he has taken the Zimma of his cattle, my lord. And those cattle, my lord, he was sent to Meghalaya for. He was sending to Meghalaya for selling there, my lord. So as per the Cattle Act, my lord, he cannot interstate transfer is then subject to following conditions are there, my lord. Those conditions he has not fulfilled.
Under which section is that?
Yes, section 7 or not section 7?
7.
Yes, section 7.
Those cattle were not, I have not sent any cattle to Meghalaya, Lordship. It was from one district to another district. I have categorically stated at paragraph number 4, Lordship.
Section 7, your lord. No person shall transport or offer transport to pursuit of any cattle without valid permit from the place other state Assam to any place outside the state of Assam. That is very specific, my lord. Provided, my lord, the permission is granted for any agricultural purpose or the permit that is supposed to be issued under section 7, my lord. If that is there, my lord, that is okay. But this is not in this case, my lord.
So we are saying that where he admitted the fact that
In the interim order also, in the interim when he has appeared before the IO.
in interim order.
Yes, in an interim order he has appeared, my lord.
No, appeared. In
Yes.
interim order it is there.
It is there. No, my lord. He has. Why I am
Of
saying?
transportation
Yes.
of cattle.
Yes. Mr. লোড কৰি দিয়ে ট্ৰাকখন মেঘালয় বৰ্ণিহাটত বিক্ৰী কৰিবৰ বাবে পঠাই দিওঁ বৰ্ণিহাটত বিক্ৰী কৰিলে বেছি টকা লাভ কৰোঁ
Otherwise he appeared before the IO.
otherwise he has appeared.
It's not going on.
Yes, my lord. So, well, see, we should, my lord, action because, my lord, they all are doing their own part, my lord. They are selling, my lord.
And
Police is
cattle were also
cattle,
being,
my lord. Once it's a routine procedure. They once apprehend them. Thereafter, the owner file, my lord, bail, and thereafter they are released. And this is going on, my lord.
So He will again engage himself in doing same.
Lordship.
Otherwise, it's cooperative, but cooperation is otherwise, and he is doing the thing. Then he has already taken
Yes.
the Jima of the cattle.
Cattle also, my lord. Meaning thereby, my lord, he is the owner of the cattle, my lord, which he is sent.
Ownership is admitted by
Admitted,
him.
yes.
He is the owner.
Yes,
But
yes.
the purpose of the
Yes.
cattle were carried through for transportation.
Yes.
That's what.
That's what it is. Because it was where the seizure was made, my it was near the Jorabad area.
Jorabad. But I
M. Ahmed.
had M. Most of activity is on 29th February. He appeared at and COVID recorded. Assam cattle Act 2021. However, that data set 29 February. Okay. Yes. Your prayer is made absolute.
Highly obliged.
Perhaps my lord, case there is no
It is not there, my lord.
petitioner is on interim. Cattle matter.
Again,
Everywhere cattle and cattle.
yes, my lord. Again, the same modus, my lord.
Modus operandi.
Let it be, my lord, after vacation.
You are on interim.
My lord.
It to remind.
After
After vacation, any date.
29.
29. Highly obliged. Till then, my lord, interim.
Interim.
My lord, 46, 47 and 48 are, my lord, arising out of same PS, my lord.
46, 47, 48.
I will put it, my lord.
That day also it was listed, I think, huh? On 20.
My lord, yes, my lord.
So 46, 47, 48. We have received in case that.
Yes, I received, my lord. 46, my lord, the Megraj Kothari is,
Yes,
my lord, after interim he appeared, my lord.
My lord, I duly appeared, my lord. My statement was
is recorded, my lord.
lord.
And my lord, other petitioners are, my lord, all are, my lord, in a group, my lord. And my lord, one truck was hijacked, my lord, my lord, Erika Nath, my lord. And my lord, total, my lord, in that truck, my lord, total
29,000.
This is, my lord, 425 bags of Erika nuts. And my lord, till now, my lord, my lord, 20 bags, my lord, yet to be recovered. And all are, my lord, in league with in the illegal sale of that hijacking and, my lord, illegal selling of the Erika nut.
So then you have to see the case diary and
Tell
us that how they are involved.
Yes.
In one case, they may be directly the hijacker.
They help in selling, my lord. They help in selling, my lord. And, my lord, the present petitioner, my lord,
I am a
46,
bona
my lord,
fide purchaser, my lord.
Meghraj Kothari, my lord, he has a, my lord, godown, and that, my lord, hijack Erika nut was stored in that, my lord, in his godown, my lord.
So he knew that the truck has been hijacked.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, I never had any idea, my lord. I purchased, my lord, 2,500 kgs of Erika nuts, my lord, by paying the entire money through RTGS transfer, my lord.
And that was recovered also.
My lord, from my godown, my lord.
His godown, it is recovered. And, my lord, the race petitioners, my lord, all are, my lord, help in, my lord, selling. The Atwar Rahman and, my lord, Zainal Abedin, then, my lord, Abdul Kalam Azad. All were, my lord, involved in the selling of that, my lord.
Selling means what kind of selling? Do they
My lord, they are the intermediaries, my lord. Middlemen, my lord.
My lord,
May I?
Yeah, go through the case properly. Tell us what kind of allegation against.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I am reading.
I have heard that against Meghraj, you have saying that he has the go down and
Yes, my
he
lord.
purchased those. And
Yes.
as per him, most probably the payment
Yes,
was
my
made
lord.
through RTGS.
My lord, that I have, my lord, annexed with my bail petition also,
As
my
per
lord.
him, he is a bona fide.
My lord.
As
My
per
lord.
his submission. I
My
don't know
lord.
what is there in there.
My lord.
And in regards to 48, that Atwar Rahman, you are saying that he is selling the
Yes, my lord. Atwar Rahman, my lord, I am reading, my lord. Abdul Kalam and Atwar Rahman of so and so has assisted Ali Hussein in selling of the stolen bags. They assisted in selling.
That means they are directly involved with the.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Their involvement is that much, my lord. And, my lord, another, my lord.
No, that must mean what that much. That means they were directly had a contact with the
Yes.
hijackers.
Yes, my lord. They have assisted in selling, my lord.
My lord.
Okay, we'll hear to the matter then. You go by the case record properly and tell us
My lord.
what the allegations against whom, and we'll hear to it.
My lord. Note of the IO, my lord. Second page, my lord, para 5. Driver's has been also flagged normally.
Driver, name of the driver?
Pinku. This driver is mentioned my name. Tag my name. Pinku is it?
Tinku Kumar.
Tinku Kumar.
Tinku Kumar.
Tinku Kumar. Tinku.
I am in 47. I am in 47.
Tinku Kumar.
For driver, do you think that it will be possible on his part to identify the person? How can he will identify?
Milo.
Then, what is the driver? Driver cannot be. Driver is not positioned
Yes.
to identify always.
But in the my lord, police note my lord is clearly mentioned one my lord. Ali Hussein and my lord another person. In the kidnapping my lord, in the hijacking of the vehicle. And others my lord, their involvement in selling.
Yes, any other comment?
My lord, for item number 46, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a, my lord, agricultural products dealer, my lord. He purchased the 2500 kgs of, my lord, Areca nuts under bona fide belief, and he made the entire payment through RTGS, my lord, which I have annexed with my bail petition as page 19, my lord. My lord, may kindly see page 19. I am a purchaser, my lord. One Asadullah, he approached me. He showed me the, my lord, Areca nuts. The deal was finalized and I made the entire payment through online, my lord. This is the acknowledgement, my lord, certified by the bank, my lord. Beneficiary name, my lord, Asadullah. Amount, my lord, 7,70,250, my lord. And in fact, my lord, I purchased the Areca nuts on, my lord, 22 of March, my lord. And my lord, articles were seized from my godown on 26th, my lord, after 4 days. The articles were lying in my godown. If I had any idea that, my lord, the articles are stolen one, I would have never kept those articles in my godown, my lord. And considering those facts, my lord, I was granted interim bail by your lordship. And accordingly, I have appeared before the IO and got my statement recorded, my lord.
Oh, what about?
Lordship, I am in 47, your lordship. I will just place two documents, your lordship. First is the, your lordship, FIR, your lordship has already gone through, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly come to the forwarding of two accused persons, your lordship. That is at page 15, your lordship, of my petition.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come to ground of arrest, your lordship. During investigation, it is learned that Ali Hussein and Islam Khan, your lordship, along with the below noted accused persons, hijacked the truck number so-and-so, and Ali Hussein went to so-and-so to sell the dry so-and-so, unloaded dry Areca nuts from the truck number so-and-so, which was at forwarded during 70 Areca nuts have been recovered, and the seized from below noted accused persons, your lordship. Now, your lordship will note, your lordship, that in the ground of arrest, at the initial date of investigation, your lordship, It was found that Ali Hussein and Islam Khan, your lordship, are part of this conspiracy to hijack, and in fact hijacked the. Now, if your lordship comes to the page 26, your lordship, that is the your lordship order passed in case of Ali Hussein, your lordship. Now he is the driver. It was the specific case of the your lordship police in the forwarding report that Ali Hussein hijacked the vehicle, your lordship, along with three others. Now your lordship may kindly come to page 27. It is submitted by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the present accused petitioner is innocent and he is no way involved in the alleged offence. It is a fact that he is the driver, owner of the vehicle. His truck is hired by one Islam Khan, Rabiul Islam, but he is not aware about any theft of Araganats. However, some bags of Araganats were loaded in his truck by said two persons as his truck was hired by them, and apart from he is not involved in the alleged offence. However, he is ready and willing to cooperate with the IO in further. Here again, your lordship, the specific case of the driver, your lordship, is that one Islam Khan and Rabiul Islam, your lordship. These are the two persons who have hired it, your lordship, and he has no knowledge about it. But police specific case is that this is the person who, along with three others, kidnapped the vehicle. Now your lordship will kindly come to next paragraph. In this context, K.K. Borasar, learned additional prosecutor, has submitted that the present accused petitioner is the owner and driver of the vehicle, which was intercepted by the police with 100 Araganats. But from the case, it reveals that altogether 420 Araganats were stolen from a truck, and then Pamo hit the truck. The present accused petitioner is loaded with so-and-so Araganats, which was intercepted by police. However, he submitted a considering the material available in the case, there is the prayer for present accused petitioner may be considered. And accordingly, your lordship, his bail was considered, your lordship. Now, your lordship, when this person was, your lordship, granted the privilege of interim, privilege of pre-arrest bail, your lordship, we are the persons, your lordship, where their name were not there at the time of the arrest of the first arrest made by the investigating agency, your lordship. Subsequently, also, your lordship, this was the case of the prosecution is this, your lordship, and in view of that, your lordship, whether our custodial interrogation is necessary or not, your lordship. That's the question, your lordship, that I pose to me, your lordship. And secondly, your lordship, when he gets in protection of a pre-arrest bail, your lordship, 438, your lordship, on the ground of parity, these petitioners whose name is neither in the FIR nor in the forwarding report, they are also entitled to, your lordship, pre-arrest bail, your lordship. That's my submission, your lordship. Otherwise, your lordship, we are not purely on suspicion, your lordship, we have been roped in this particular case, your lordship. Apparently, your lordship, some persons took it to Kharupetia, some other purchased it, your lordship. Where from we came, your lordship? That, your lordship, they have, your lordship, purely on suspicion, your lordship, these two petitioners, your lordship, are roped in by the investigating agency. Therefore, my humble submission on the ground of parity, your lordship, also, these petitioners are entitled to pre-arrest bail, your lordship, and they will cooperate. Stringent conditions may be imposed, and investigation and substantial.
There are sufficient witnesses. They are the person who directly involved in the selling those Araganats which were hijacked or which were the illegally transported. So illegal properties were directly sold by these two petitioners.
Lordship will kindly see one aspect, your lordship. The person who has taken it, your lordship, according to whom, according to police, who is the main, your lordship, culprit behind this, your lordship, who is named in the FIR, also named in the...
The question is, Ali Hussein was the driver.
Yes, your lordship.
Ali Hussein was the driver, but the truck was hijacked by someone.
But, your lordship, when the name of the hijackers, your lordship, is very specific, we are not there even when the hijack has taken place.
You are not the hijacker, but you are directly the seller of those Araganats which were seized by...
Lordship. Lordship. Even then, your lordship, that instruction is not with me, your lordship. I can't submit on that, your lordship. But even then, your lordship, the ground on which, your lordship, we have been arrested, we have been searched by the police, your lordship, that may have been, your lordship, sold to us by these people, your lordship. That may be also a fact, your lordship. That is also required to be looked into, your lordship. That's my humble submission, your lordship. And custodial interrogation, probably my humble submission at this stage is not required. Since substantial investigation has progressed, your lordship, we will abide by whatever condition your lordship impose, your lordship. Stringent condition, cooperate with the investigation, your lordship. That's my humble submission, your lordship.
My lord, in Atwar Rahman and my lord, this is the second application.
Second application. I have annexed.
Already lordship has rejected and gone through, my lord, study. So my lord, a new ground.
New ground, these are the new ground. Page 30, your lords, of my petition.
Your order, your lordship order dated 6/5.
Page number 30.
30, your lords.
Page 30, my lord.
What is the new ground you say?
Lordship, that's your lordship what I have placed, your lordship. Those are not before this honorable court when we came earlier, your lordship. That the bail of the Ali Hussein, your lordship, that has not been produced, your lordship. That on the ground of parity now, your lordship, I am seeking bail, and also the fact that, your lordship, that we are, your lordship, not named when the first FIR, your lordship, and the was lost, your lordship, and the first arrest was made by the investigating authorities, your lordship. These are the two basic grounds which were not placed at the while the first petition was moved, your lordship. Lords.
Any other again? Submission with or any other
I mean,
submission?
item 48, my lord. Wait, my lord, I am not named in the FIR, my lord. I am contractor and raw material suppliers, my lord, in the department of PWD, my lord.
Raw
My
material
lord,
supplier.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have made it clear, my lord, at page 4, my lord, paragraph 6, my lord, of my petition, my lord. My lord, on 19/3/2024 in the evening, while contacted Said Ali Hussein over mobile phone, he was informed by above named accused over telephone that his truck had been hired by two persons for carrying some bags of RK nuts from Jogigopa to Kharubutia, and for the purpose thereof he is at Kharubutia. The police might have suspected his involvement in the alleged offence from the call list of Said Ali Hussein, my lord. Only for this ground, my lord, police has visited my house,
You are,
my lord.
who are you?
My lord.
You are related to Ali Hussein. How?
He is my co-villager, my lord. He is my childhood friend, my lord. I know nothing about the hijacking of the truck, my lord, or other incidents, my lord. Only from the call list of Ali Hussein, my lord, I have been implicated, my lord. My lord, we shall abide by any terms and conditions, my lord. At this stage, my lord, we shall appear before the IO, my lord.
Your first time.
My lord?
This is your first time?
Yes, my lord. I shall appear before the IO, my lord. Any terms and conditions may be imposed, my lord.
So that please sit. Deliver. Is that so? Order. Okay, we'll pass.
High level, Ashman.
May it please Lordship. Well, by this application, my Lord, I have challenged the charge sheet, my Lord. Your Lordship will find to the peculiar case where there's two charge sheets for the same offence, my Lord. my lord will find there's a fire in the biscuit factory, my lord. And the management also filed an FIR that these are the person whose responsibility for doing the fire in the factory, my lord. And the workers also, they didn't file. They also filed one that has been quashed by this honorable court, and one by fire, alleging us that we are also responsible.
So otherwise, who are you?
I'm a project manager. I'm a manager of this company, Sunrise Biscuit Company Factory, under the Britannia Industries Limited. Now, what has happened, my lord, your lordship will find the annexer 1, that is page 19. Your lordship may kindly take note of 19, my lord. This is a FIR by us, my lord. That
This is the FIR by you.
yes, my lord. That is at page 20, my lord. Annexure 1, my lord. With respect, the undersigned would like to state that about 2:14 a.m. on 24/7/2016, well, that is a date on which the fire took place. Sri so-and-so, the maintenance officer, called me over phone that the fire has broke out in the factory premises. On hearing the same, I immediately rushed to the factory, and the same reached the factory premises. Fire was taken under control. I therefore inquired the reason behind the incident of fire, wherein I got to understand that the union members, including the office bearers, namely so-and-so, 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 and so-and-so, so-and-so, Sri so-and-so, and some unknown people first opened the valve of the diesel tank, which resulted into approximately 300 liters of diesel gushed out till was noticed by the maintenance manager. Thereafter, the above said workmen set the CBB box on fire, which was again controlled by the timely interventions. The resulted frustration of these workers. Since the conspiracy to set the factory, the fire was damaged, the property substantially and beyond repair could not be materialized. They became apprehensive the moment they saw me entering the premises and getting into the thick and thin of the matters. Identified the cause of fire in order to identify the conspirators behind all this who are trying to set the factory on fire. Later they demonstrated it by attacking me and production manager. Thereafter, I, along with Sudipta Pal and production manager and Abhijit Das, the maintenance manager, rushed into the chamber and started prepare an FIR for filing before the police stations against the above mentioned act of fire, which is committed by the above mentioned workmen. Surprisingly, the said workmen, on coming to know about the preparation of the FIR against them, forcibly entered into my chamber and thereafter ransacked the entire chamber and furthermore broke the glass pane and door, and thereafter piece of broken glass chamber, and furthermore broke the glass of the door, and thereafter the piece of broken glasses plate close to my neck by Sadharan Das, and I was threatened that in event any FIR is lodged against them, then they will kill me, and furthermore two of the workmen, namely Sanjit Burman and Kiran Talukdar, pulled the computer cable in order to disconnect the electricity of the computer nearby, the order to restrain us from drafting the FIR. Thereafter, they manhandled us using filthy languages. Thereafter, wrongfully confined us till 11:45 p.m. without allowing us to have food, water, and did not even allow us to use the washroom. While myself, including Mr. Sudipta Pal and Mr. Abhijit Das, were confined in a chamber, the workmen disconnected the electricity line in order to avoid the other person present in the factory premises to know about the atrocities which they were committing on us. That since the said act, the part of the workmen threatened, assaulted, and intimidated me, it affected me emotionally and went in the state of trauma, and as a result of which I could not gather the courage to lodge the FIR against them, inasmuch as the threatening as well as the act of the violence which was committed against us will always remain nightmare for me, and this reason behind the delay of lodging the FIR. But the delay has been explained why it has been delayed. Since the management has assured to take appropriate steps for my safety and security, I have gained a confidence for lodging the FIR. I therefore requested so and so to take necessary action. Kindly see that this has been registered, my lord. Now your lordship will find there, my lord, FIR, that is at page 22, my lord. I am sorry, my lord. 24, my lord. Your lordship may kindly take the type copy. There is a vernacular, my lord. Should I read the vernacular, my lord? Your lordship permits me, I have a type copy also. Page number 22 is a translated copy, and my lord, the vernacular will be page 26. My lord, if I read in a vernacular, it will be more convenient to appreciate properly, my lord. সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত এই যে যোৱা 24 তাৰিখে ৰাতি 6:00 বজাত সানৰাইজ 20 মিনিট স্থানত বৰাগাঁৱত জুই লগা বুলি কয় আৰু আপতকালীন সেৱাৰ নিয়ন্ত্ৰণ কক্ষৰ যোগেদি সংবাদ পোৱা যায়। সংবাদ মৰ্মে লখৰা অগ্নি আপতকালীন কেন্দ্ৰৰ দুখন পানী ও কৰ্মীসহ মই নিজে ঘটনাস্থলীত উপস্থিত হওঁ। হি ইজ আ ফায়াৰ অফিচাৰ, my lord. ইতিমধ্যে সানৰাইজ ফেক্টৰী কৰ্মীসকলে জুই নুমুৱাইছে। ঘটনাস্থলী পৰ্যবেক্ষণ কৰি মোৰ দৃষ্টিগোচৰ হয় এই ঘটনাস্থলীত প্ৰায় 2-3 হাজাৰ মান খালী কাৰ্টুন ফেক্টৰীৰ পৰা মেচিনৰ ওচৰত দমাই থোৱা আছিল আৰু তাৰ কিছু অংশত জুই লাগিছিল আৰু ইতিমধ্যে কেইবাবাৰ কৰ্মীয়ে জুই নুমুৱাই দিছিল। জুই লগাৰ কোনো প্ৰত্যক্ষদৰ্শী নোপোৱা, মানে there is no eyewitness, কাৰণ জানিব পৰা নগ'ল। জুই লগা স্থানৰ পৰা কিছু দূৰত জেনেৰেট আছে আৰু তাৰ পৰা চাৰিওফালে ডিজেল অস্বাভাৱিকভাৱে ইচৰিত হৈ আৰু আছে। এই স্থানত দুই শলাৰ কাঠি আৰু বাছটো আছিল। উল্লেখযোগ্য যে ইমান তাৰিখেও এই ফেক্টৰীৰ গুদামত অগ্নিকাণ্ড সংঘটিত হৈছিল আৰু তাৰ 15-20 মিনিট মান পিছত উক্ত স্থানত আকৌ জুই সংঘটিত হৈছিল। অগ্নি নিৰ্বাপন কৰা হয়। উক্ত ঘটনাৰ সন্দৰ্ভত ফেক্টৰীৰ 2জন কৰ্মচাৰীয়ে লিখিত বক্তব্য গ্ৰহণ কৰা হৈছিল। বক্তব্য সংলগ্ন কৰি দিয়া হ'ল। অমল হালৈ, মানে your lordship kindly take notice, Amal Haloi and Borun Pandey. These are the because there is a hue and cry, my lord, the workers have started assaulting the managers, my lord, and they have given a statement to the fire officer. On the basis of the statement, my lord, he lost this FIR, my lord. This FIR, my lord. উক্ত ফেক্টৰীত সংঘটিত হোৱা অগ্নিকাণ্ড সমূহৰ ৰাতি ইমান বজাত ধৰণ আৰু ফেক্টৰী কৰ্মচাৰী দুজনৰ বক্তব্যৰ ওপৰত পৰ্যবেক্ষণ কৰিলে ঘটনাসমূহৰ সন্দেহজনক বুলি অনুমান কৰাৰ থল আছে। My lord, he doubted. Thereafter, he said on the first instance, my lord, the informant said there was no eyewitness to that occurrence, that the cause of the fire could not be ascertained because there are nobody is an eyewitness to that occurrence, my lord. Now this is this FIR file, my lord. Now both the cases, my lord, has investigated together, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see there is another. Your lordship will find page the bail application. I will not go to the bail applications, my lord. Your lordship kindly take. Then there is a settlement between the workers' association and the management, my lord. To which, my lord, they have written a letter, my lord. That is Sunrise. Your lordship will kindly take page 32, my lord. What they say, my lord, it's a workers' association. It has been sent to the police officers, my lord. General Secretary, Sunrise Bisus Court of Warren. With due respect, I would like to inform you that the lordship got it. At about 11:20 p.m., a fire broke out at our factory premises. As a result, lots of valuable property got destroyed. In a relation that's incident, we, the union workers, are investigating the said incident again on so-and-so at so-and-so. Again, fire broke out and same was taken under control the night by shift worker without there being major loss. The workers saw there, among us are our electrician, Sri Umesh Das. Umesh Das is the person, my lord, who has informed. Running away from the place of occurrence. Then we followed him, and it was seen Sri Umesh Das put on fire in the generator by using matchsticks. The Umesh Das It is the statement of Umesh Das, my lord, on the basis of which that FIR has been filed, lodged by the fire officer who came to there, my lord. And thereafter, Umesh Das, on being questioned by us with regard to the incident, he admitted in front of the workers that he burned the said factory on the above mentioned 2 days at the instruction of Ranjan Kumar Bharik, the chief manager of so-and-so, so-and-so, rupees 5 lakhs. In connection with the above mentioned incident, worker union filed a complaint before the Supreme Regional Manager, Kolkata, but he never paid any so-and-so, so-and-so. I pray that before Your Honor to take legal actions for this so-and-so, so-and-so. Now, Your Lordship, kindly see that the FIR which has been filed by the Sunrise, the FIR which has been filed, there's 3 FIRs, below. One by me, one by officers, one by workers, below. Now, I will not go entire the contents. Somebody is alleging us, we are alleging them, and they are alleging the management, below. 31/7/2016, there's another FIR to that effect, Miller. Now, kindly see, Your Lordship, kindly see, in page 38, below. Now, admittedly, there are 3 FIRs, below. One by the workers, one by the districts, and one by us, me, the management. Now, kindly see, on that is at page 41, below. Now, quoting these 3 FIRs, below, to the investigator who has written this letter, the General Secretary Sunrise Biscuit Workers Union now. What he said, now Your Lordship will kindly see 41. I wish to take the opportunity to put forth before you the true fact that I believe have not come so far as a record due to the monument misunderstanding and action in patient during the heat of the moment. I made some statement before you, other in the past, assuming them to be true, but now when I introspect our conduct and look back at every incident that took place at Sunrise SBCL premises located at Boragaon on the intervening night between so-and-so and so-and-so, I find that all the management led by so-and-so was trying to find the real cause of fire so such incident could be stopped forever since the fire accident has taken place in past 20 and so-and-so. When I put the thing perspective, I realized that at no point of time Umesh Das voluntarily admitted. Well, kindly see, he has come with that. This is voluntarily admitted. At no point of time did Umesh Das voluntarily admitted to set the factory on fire. Basis on a alarm leaves aside the promise from the factory manager. It seems that he said that we was told by the angry mob who took him along with us to the factory manager's office where management was about to start an investigation and trying to understand the cause of the fire. However, due to the unrest and subsequent development thereafter, it could not be concluded. I sincerely regret the statement made by me in the heat of the moment, and thereafter I, under provocation, holding the people responsible for the actions I have no direct and constructive knowledge of. The statement made by me before your Budsev and subsequently before other persons have been made on the hearsay statements. Kindly see what he said. It's a hearsay statement that were being made by the generic angry mob, which I assure to be true. So that is what he says, my lord. Now, again, my lord, I just keep this thing negating in the 40. 40. Now, again, your lordship, kindly see, there's another, all these employees, my lords, has the employees of Sunrise Biscuit Factory, that is at page 40, my lord, Annex 6, my lord. They wrote a letter to the investigating officer of Gorchuk police stations. Your lordship got it? That we wish to take this opportunity to put forth before the true facts that we believe have not come far so recorded due to the monumental misunderstanding and action in passing during the heat of the moment. We made some statement before you and other in past, assuming that to be true, but now when we introspect our conduct and look back every incident that took place in the SBCL premises located at Boragaon on intervening night between so-and-so, we find that all the management team led by Suresh then was trying to do this, find the real cause of fire, so that such incident could be stopped forever. A fire accident has took place in past 20 so-and-so. When we put the thing perspective, we realized that no point of time did Umesh Das voluntarily admitted to set a factory on fire basis of allotment, leave aside any promises from the factory manager. It seems that he said what we was told by the angry mob, who was took along with us the factory manager's office, where the management was about to start its investigation and trying to understand the cause of fire. However, due to the unrest and subsequent development thereafter, it could not be concluded. We sincerely regret the statement made by me by heat of so-and-so, so-and-so. That is the same things. This workers, who has given a statement, has given this one, and thereafter, if you Lordship kindly see, there is a settlement agreement, because the management has dismisses workers from this thing because of their negligence, There is a settlement agreement, which as page 43 is a settlement agreement between the my lord, due to that, I just want to take just a note of that. If you Lordship kindly see 41, page 41, my lord, whose statement, my lord, on the basis of which this affair has, that entire case is set in motion, was Sadaram Das, my lord. Now, his signature is, your Lordship will kindly see that serial number 8, Sadaram Das. He is the person. So now, my lord, I will not do these things. We are kindly seeing arising as 43, 43, these are the memorandum understanding between the workers and the management, whereby they have said so and so, my lord. I will not go that. The person who has been dismissed, they have been compensated with the money of rupees 7 lakhs for the workers, my lord. They have been given, they have received all these things. That I will not go all these things. Whoever take this. Now, your Lordship will kindly see that is a search sheet, which it is under challenge, my lord. That is at page 52, my lord. That is Ramesh Chandra Kolita. That is a fire officer, my lord. The first one. CGM Guwahati, Umesh Das, he is also made an accused, and I also made an accused, I being the management, my lord. Ranjan Kumar Barik, the petitioner before your Lordship, my lord. Ranjan Kumar Barik, my lord. The Lordship got it, my lord, and my lord, who are the witnesses? The workers are the witnesses cited there, my lord. And it has been, the charges has been filed under section 120B, 436, 34 IPC. So that is the reason. Now your Lordship will find again, next, my lord, annexure 9, my lord, if your Lordship see, I will not go the entire thing. That other one, but that is an judgment and order passed by this Honorable Court, whereby the FIR has been quashed, my lord. That is relating to the FIR which has been filed by the workers, my lord. There are 3 FIR, 1, 2, 3, my lord. Is by me, workers, and my lord, the fire officer. So 3 that has been set aside. We are not on that because it has been set aside God. Now, the last one is now you are carrying. That is the charge by on the basis of the FIR by us, my lord. That is page 61, my lord. Can you see who the complainant? The petitioner here, my lord, Ranjan Kumar Barik, and sent up the Umesh Chandra Das. In the case, Umesh Chandra Das also is an accused, also so and so. And who are the witnesses? The witnesses are the same witnesses there and same witnesses there, my lord. So, my lord, now that is also, my lord, the charge sheet. Your Lordship will kindly see what is stated. In charge sheet, in brief, that on so and so, Ranjan Kumar Barik Rabindra Manik, manager, Sunrise Bisushate, Pochim Buragaon, has lodged and written Ajahar with the PS alleging that inter around to so-and-so, Sri Bhaskar Jyoti Das, maintenance officer, informed him over telephone that a fire has broke out in the biscuit factory, that he immediately came to the factory and so the fire has already been discussed. That on making an inquiry of so-and-so, he could not learn that Navakumar Burman and 60 workers, in collusion with the members and workers of the union, opened the valve of the diesel tank, as a result of which about 300 liters of diesel drained away the ground. That when the maintenance officer went there to make an inquiry about it, someone close to the said valve and sensing that something was amiss, as he started writing an Ajahar in the room of the production officer, the workers snatched the paper from him and threatened him that they will kill him if he lost the FI. In addition, that they abused him using the filthy languages by conflict here, and they broke the so-and-so. And accordingly, my lord, in the course of investigation, the place of occasion was visited and witnesses were examined. Since the case has been well established against Umesh Sundar Das, so-and-so, Baksha, Assam, for committing 436, but the charge sheet is being submitted against him under the aforesaid section. Now, here the witnesses are the same. The incident is one, my lord. Can it be two trial, my lord, of the same incident, my lord? It cannot be, my lord. My lord, what will happen? Suppose in the cases where I have been there, my lord, the witnesses there will say against me. Here we will adduce against them, my lord. What will be the effect, my lord? Nothing, my lord. Is it absolutely abuse process of law, my lord? These are the witnesses. They said that due to the heated exchange of argument, and there are so and so. And kindly see the FIR which has been filed by the fire officer is on the basis of a hearsay only, the Umesh Das. And what they say that Umesh Das statement is, he said that it has been given, he has written on this statement. My lord will find, if your lordship kindly see, the witnesses.
On the basis of the statement of Amal
Saloi. There are two persons, Amal Saloi and Umesh Das. Sodaram Das. Sorry. Sodaram Das. Now kindly see, they have, kindly see, there is a type copy, my lord, which I have annexed, page 71, my lord. They have written to the investigating officer, my lord. FIR number so and so, my lord. It is my. There's 3 affairs, my lord. They have written, my lord, 3 affairs. I'd like to take an opportunity to reveal that the whole truth before you, which may not be recorded. I gave my statement regarding the fire incident 19 June on dated so and so. As far I remember that the said fire incident occurred due to the electric short circuit. But at the time of investigation was going on, after this, on 23/7/2016, another fire incident took place within the company premises. On that night, 23rd July, I was not in duty and joined my duty on 24th. That during the morning time, and I only came to know about the incident of fire. I never deposed any kind of statements before any officer, and no one had ever asked me. I would like to inform you that I never deposed any statement before any fire brigade officer or any police officer, as I was not present at the time of incident, below. That what he stated, below. This is Amal Saloi, Milord. This is Amal Saloi. I'm sorry, Milord. Amal Saloi. Sodaram Das I have already shown, Milord. So can the basis on this, Milord, can be trial go on the basis of this materials available on the records, Milord, which we have placed before your lordship, Milord. And Milord, because of what the entire management has been suffering, Milord. One incident, 2 charge sheet, Milord. Can it be 2 charge sheet in one incident, Milord? One I am the complainant and one I am an accused, Milord. How it can be, Milord? Either I have been an accused. Milord, can Milord, there be accused and a witness to the same occurrence? It cannot be. In same incident, I am a witness, and in same incident, I am an accused, my lord. What kind of a trial it will be, my lord? So my respectful submission on the basis of which, my lord, your lordship may interfere with this application. My lord, the search sheets which are before your lordship are to be quashed on the ground that there cannot be a witness and an accused on the same occurrence, my lord. It cannot be. That is my humble respectful submission.
Now you want to say that your the FIR which is filed against you should be what?
My lord.
If suppose it is false, then the other will.
Other will remain because they have not come for
you are not
my lord.
the accused, you are the witness.
Yes, my lord.
But there is a concept of cross case also. Na?
My lord.
Cross cases are also there. Na?
Yes, a cross case. My lord, there is a cross case. There are two. My lord, kindly see, there are two FIRs. The investigating officer should club the FIRs, make it a one, my lord. My lord, make it a one, my lord, and they have to proceed it accordingly. Instead of doing these things, my lord, what they do, my lord, they make two different search sheets, my lord. Now we have made a party, my lord. Your lordship will find what party to the complainant they are, my lord, because what they give a affidavit also. Kindly see the affidavit, their affidavit, my lord. Para 12, my lord, their affidavit, my lord, the complainant affidavit, my lord. That with regard to the statement, my lord, I'll just straightway go to the paragraph 12. That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 15 of the criminal episode, the deponent Bextel fire that was lodged on the basis of a statement of two workers, namely Amal Saloy and Bon Pandey, and also the nature of the incident and was pattern of the occasion, and the said affairs lost on a suspicion that all incident occurred on so and on so may happen as a result of conflict. They himself said, my lord, it is on the basis, this is an on oath, my lord, they have said. What more this lordship wants, my lord? They say that it is on, my lord, suspicion only, my lord.
Obvious suspicion because no one has seen who. I mean,
Nobody, my lord. Nobody, my lord.
That is why, but similar kind of offense, similar kind of incident was going on. That was there is a suspicion on them.
My lord.
That might happen. On your conspiracy.
Yes, my
That
lord.
is your question. They filed the FIR.
My lord. So that is the end of the matters, my lord. See whether, my lord, the proceeding against us, my lord, they clearly showed that Sadaram and this, my lord, the person who, on the basis of whom statement of them, my lord, the case has been filed by the police, fire officer. What he said that I didn't see anything, my lord. That's an hearsay only. Police should have, my lord, they should have what the duty of the investigating officer. They have to club the affairs, my lord, because it's the same incident, my lord. And club the affairs, and if they found it.
So your case was most probably there was a stay order in there.
Yes, my lord.
And what regard in your case?
Here they have not, my lord.
Fine.
No, they have not.
It's still in under progress.
Under
Your
progress,
case.
my lord.
In both the matters, charge sheet has already been filed.
My
The
lord,
matter.
my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'm for the respondent number 2, lordship, the informant. Here our stand is clear, the lordship, on 24/7/2016 at about 2:45 a.m. we have received an information, lordship, that a fire broke out at the premises of Sunrise Biscuit Factory. After receiving such information, the deponent, being the station officer, rushed to the place of occurrence along with other fire personnel. After reaching the place of occurrence, we have noticed that the fire has already been put off by the worker of the said factory, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, on inspection of the site, it was found that around 2,000 to 3,000 numbers of empty cartons were lying beside the machines present in the factory, and some part of those empty cartons caught fire, while in the meantime the worker of the factory would put off the said fire. It was further noticed that in few distance from the place of occurrence, there was a generator, and surrounding the said generator, lots of diesel were scattered and matchsticks were found lying. Lordship, it is also pertinent to mention here that the person present in the presence of occurrence, the deponent had also came to know that on 19/6/2016 at about 11:50 p.m. and on 26/2016, similar fire broke out at the same place and it took 48 hours to put out the fire. During the investigation of the incident occurred on 24/7/2016, the deponent recorded the statement of two workers, my lord, namely Amol Saloi and Varun Pandey. On the basis of such statement of the said two workers, as well as considering the pattern of the fire, the instant deponent on 27/6/2016 lodged an FIR before the official in charge, Gorsok Police Station, by stating that the above incident, as stated above, may have happened as a result of conspiracy. That is our stand, my lord. And regarding the change of statement of the letter which is made by the witness, my lord, to the investigation, that we have no knowledge, my lord. Moreover, the investigating officer would be the appropriate.
There are two statements made by Amol Saloi and the other one.
Lordship.
And in regard to that, what do you want to say? Because they have made some statements before they are against that those FIR.
Right.
One has stated he has not made any such statement before the investigating authority or before any fire extinguisher officer.
Regarding that letter, my lord, we have no knowledge.
But at the time of filing your affidavit in opposition, those were there in the record. Why they have not read? At the time of filing your additional, affidavit in opposition, those materials are already there in the record. It's not the thing that they buy through an additional affidavit they have filed. They are already there. What is your defense in that? Because your defense is that on the basis of two statements made by the promoter, you have investigated the matter and there was a conspiracy, thought that there is a conspiracy be there. So accordingly the affair was brought by you as a station officer.
Station officer.
The question is that they subsequently they have again they gave some statement today that they have not or something in that manner they have the position about them. The question is that why you have not clarified those things in your affidavit.
My lord, he has stated, my lord, what your lordship query was this, he has stated in the last line, what is stated in the paragraph 12, which is stated, that this affair has been lost on the information on suspicion, my lord. And thereafter, the deponent has no knowledge about the change of statement made by the two workers subsequently. During the further, deponent has no knowledge about the letter dated so-and-so communicated by Amol Saloi to the investigating officer. It is pertinent to mention herein that the concerned investigation is the best person to apprise the Honorable about the change of the statement. But he stated like this. That is the simple.
Yes, state anything. It was heard. By whom?
No, madam.
Last order.
Oh, it was not within my knowledge. It is awaited, I think, still. So without going by the LCR, it is not possible. So why did we have raised the voice? Because I am sitting at this 3:30 only.
Your lordship may keep it, my lord. They have a lot and call for the records. After that, your lordship may pass any orders, whatever your lordship may take.
So for that, most probably for submission to make submission because they have not filed.
Yes,
State has
yes,
not filed any separate additional, affidavit.
Right.
So yes, what to do? Because we have heard it a long history for prior vacation, before vacation, we don't
Oh, yes,
have
Milord.
any date.
Your Lordship may take it in part hard, Milord, because your Lordship is hard. Only part is this, your Lordship has to see the it will take about 1 minute, 5 minutes, Milord, not nothing more than that. Because I have already concluded, he has also concluded, only thing some of the record is concerned, Milord. My principal,
Hussain.
उठी पे लगो
Hussain.
उठी पे ना भोग लो मतलब
What do you, Mr.?
उठी पे ना
D. Rava on behalf of Mr. A. Hassan.
D.
D. Rava on
Rava,
behalf of Mr. A. Hassan for respondent number 2.
Or Mr. On behalf of Mr.
A. Hassan.
A. Hassan. For the response number. We have the matter of the petitioner as well as the evidence by Mr. Copy that the record is not there is not without issue reminder and call for the cancel so the reminder was issued or no? Reminder was
एक घंटे कोई जैसे ट्रस्टेड है
so we are asking the registry to issue reminder. It will be remained as a partner knowledge already. Or if it is not remained as a partner, in that case, it will be covered by another bank. What would it be remained as a partner or?
your Lordship because part hard your Lordship may take it the part hard Milord. Part hard and issue a reminder for that friend. So.
Okay.
Much obliged. Well, Lordship fix a date, Milord, convenient to Lordship.
Interim was there.
Interim was there.
Interim was there.
Yes, yes.
Date after vacation. 30.
30. Okay. Much obliged.
Interim may be.
Obliged.
Am I considered to be appointed? It is jail appeal.
Other case, my Lordship, the record says if there is no C4, it is present without repeating the name because sometimes we are in different courts, it will come and partner. Yeah,
But otherwise, we have to engage one. Am I?
in the earlier case.
Oh, in the earlier case.
Let it be. If we put on state present, that will do. Because sometimes we are in other court. Some difficulty and we have to take time. I don't have any other.
Okay.
Because otherwise I have no objection because sometimes technically what is clear. In tomorrow also perhaps I may not be in this sense. There are some other partner cases. Sometimes best will
It will delay it. What? This is the order that I can't. Oh. suspended order dated 30th last year. POCSO case number 7 by Judge POCSO Carbian, where the present appellant is under 448 RI for 1 year for section 448 Act and RI for 10 years for economic section 4.1 of third and who will take it? Waste, you know. Also, to know. Part of the hereby and report further the who now one have received or demonstrated and Dixit we have already. Now can be Corona, Fukon, Manika, who is will be good? Yeah, who is no one. That is accordingly start at number is to inform like am I correct?
May I please, Your Lordship? I am appearing as a legal aid counsel, my Lord. This appeal preferred under section 378. My Lord, may I please to admit this appeal and call for the records, my Lord. LCR may be called.
So Mr. M.
Das.
Part of it. Legal aid counsel appeal. Jail appeal, no? Jail appeal.
No, my Lord, appeal against acquittal.
Appeal against acquittal. Oh, by the or passed by and taken by raised area or
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this is an appeal against conviction, Lordship, against judgment and order dated 11/9/2023. Page 15 is the judgment. Lordship, convicted under 366 of IPC. 3 years conviction.
convicted from 3 years.
3 years. Under 366.
So you have filed a separate IA, na?
Yes, Lordship.
Main two people there. One is criminal appeal, one is
Article 13.
So what about the IA? If it is your suspension of sentence?
Lordship, yes, suspension of sentence.
Yes, to some anything to say. 3 years conviction.
Yes. 13. 1 6 1 second.
Yes.
13 में चलेगा. विश्वजित होगा.
Yes.
एक नाम की वजह से. 3 years, my lord. What it can.
Otherwise, the duty to penalty.
Lordship.
So earlier the charges were framed under section 4 of the POCSO.
Yes, Lordship. He has been acquitted, Lordship. He has been acquitted under
From those charges.
Yes, Lordship.
Only 360.
Yes, 366 remains. No, he is inside.
Oh, he is inside.
Huh?
He is inside.
He is inside, my lord. I thought he is outside.
Oh, he is inside.
Yes, Lordship. That's why I filed an IA, Lordship.
Since when he is inside? From the date of judgment or earlier
From
prior?
before the trial, Lordship.
Oh, okay.
Notice may be issued, then I may be considered after the LCR.
It's 3 years, 5 months, 18 days, Lordship, already spent before the judgment, Lordship. That is on page 16. Now, Lordship, it will be more than, Lordship, 1 year it will be over. Page 16, Lordship, of the main appeal.
Main appeal.
Yes, Lordship. Page 16, where period of detention undergone during trial.
Judgment was passed on 11/9.
Lordship, 11/9/2023. Lordship, 3 years more than he
spent, Lordship, more than I think 1 year. It will be 1 year, Lordship. So Lordship may consider.
And what is the ground for your acquittal? Is there any or there is nothing?
Lordship, grounds we have filed on Lordship, page 4, Lordship, of the IA, Lordship. Lordship, he was all along inside. Then thereafter, no adverse remark was passed. Thereafter, Lordship, he is a permanent resident. Moreover, Lordship, he is a sole breadwinner. Only his mother remaining, Lordship, considerable hardship.
That is okay.
Yes, Lordship.
And you have filed the criminal appeal. Why
Yes.
you think that your appeal will be succeeded?
Lordship,
Is there any ground?
Lordship, that will come later. But Lordship, my only submission is, Lordship, since 3 years, Lordship, and his length of detention, Lordship, right now.
Yes,
At least, my lord, I am searching for a victim statement. That is not annexed,
yes,
my lord.
not annexed.
It's not annexed. At least one
the ground
statement.
they have not
Yes.
Maybe
Grounds?
3 years, but do you have any?
Yes.
Grounds, Lordship, we have.
Yes.
Lordship, grounds we have given on page 5 of the main petition. Lordship.
What are general grounds?
Yes. Actually, Lordship, in this case,
Otherwise, you have got said it
yes,
in a
Lordship, page
case
6,
of conviction.
Yes. Actually, the girl eloped, Lordship. The problem is that girl eloped, had a love affair, but the girl was underage. Thereafter, she deposed her. They got married, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, the ground is on page 6, that is on E, para E, Lordship.
The otherwise girl is admittedly a minor at that time.
Lordship?
Was the girl was admittedly a minor at that time?
Yes, Lordship. Admitted she was minor at this point of time. She got married and she admitted that in her statement, Lordship.
It's very strange. Why did he plan it? Because I don't know what their evidence is otherwise, but he admits that he went there, got married with the, the accused appellant.
Lord.
He there as a husband.
Yes,
and
as a
wife.
minor.
He
Then-
did sexual act on her.
Yes.
That why 4 has
For-
gone,
fortunate
6 has
for-
gone, I don't
He is fortunate that only three
Very
CPCs.
fortunate. He is very fortunate. I think wrongly he may go,
Yes,
because
that is
may
different
be
thing,
one of
madam.
these, but that is not the case of the
Yes.
if she is minor.
Yes.
Otherwise, I would.
Yes.
3 years con-
Yeah.
Because her statement
Yes.
says that she went with him.
Yeah.
He loved by herself, it's okay.
Yeah.
Got married, stayed
Yeah.
together as a husband and wife. Then what him.
Right.
In I, you can I take up the I. But during trial he was on bail or he was still in
No,
jail?
Lordship. Lordship, as
All
far-
along he was in jail.
Yes, Lordship. Because
what
Lordship, period of detention undergone during trial for purpose, Lordship, he was 5 months, 18 days. He was behind the bars only during the.
The entire thing is completed within 5 months.
Yes, Lordship.
Judgment?
Yes. Date
And
of
there is
arrest
no
was
suspension.
not
He was
Lordship.
on. He was on.
He
bail
was
and-
released on bail on 3/11/2020, Lordship.
He was
After
on-
completion of 5 months, 18 days. Lordship.
Then he was on bail or?
Yes, he was on bail all along, Lordship. Thereafter,
What
after
is that?
sentence.
There is certificate number I, packet number 30, there is one I. To write first I. Hard to Mr. PK. PK that.
Yes,
So, Mr.
Lordship. Figure that.
Hard distributing the hard being on top of this. This is the happy and very big for suspension of sentence. This is 11/9/2023. Passed by Daniel Richardson Iran in Swedish box case number 6 arrived out of Moscow case number 23 of 2023, whereby he was convicted IPC and sentenced to arrive for treatment and occupy in the court, arrive for afterward.
With the lossless permission, sorry, madam, with the lossless permission, may I leave to another court? Part hard matter is going.
Okay. Hard, Mr. P. has done it from he is innocent and rather the victim herself went with him. Rather victim herself without him at her own. And most of the other case was registered under the section 4 of the POCSO Act, but subsequently the case was subsequently he was convicted under section 6 and sentenced to undergo RIP. He further subsequent local is a permanent resident of the address he is allowed to go on bail by suspending of the operation of his operation of justice order. He further subsequent of the case prior it was according to that bail for suspension of sentence imposed on him. And also allow the accused petitioner to go on bail during the conflict. As the record no benefit like subsequent LT for the phone that they by suspending I ordered it I government ordered it the present petition is allowed and the petitioner is allowed to go on bail for rupees 1 and the respect of it does it and it is both of the operating judgment and sentence it is the time above of the I now come to criminal ethics. It's No problem. But okay, this one number one.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
There are some order methods, but the pricing is 330. In fact, we have some.
One
So
small matter
I-
is there, my friend is there, my lord.
It's okay, but I have to go to the file. In fact,
I think the next matter is mine, my lord. Only thing is that, my lord, my complaint petition under 130S was dismissed for default. It was dismissed for default, other side has appeared, my lord. Only
It's okay, but I don't have, time to issue. I'll just accommodate you. Because by 3:30 I have to write. We have an interview, in fact, from the officers of the Arunachal Pradesh. That is the main reason. Otherwise, we don't have any.
Additional another matter, madam, that is also urgent matter, madam.
No,
The
whatever
Lordship
may
has
be
fixed a date,
urgent, it may be, dates may be accommodated to otherwise. So
let it be
your
on
number
19th.
is- your
Then, my
number
lord, mine is 32.
32.
My lord,
First matter.
my first matter.
Okay. 32 then. One can be there.
19th,
Otherwise, why it is in order column, in fact?
my lord.
Why it is in order?
No, because we have brought it, that is why it has come in the order column. It was lying, my lord. Other side has appeared. Everything is ready, my lord. Nothing is there. Only because a complaint case was dismissed for default.
Your card? Why it is in order?
Admission हुआ नहीं,
Huh?
agreed हुआ नहीं.
Admit, you see.
LCR not
Not required, my lord. Dismissed for default.
okay. If it is not required, it's okay. But why it is that it should be happening in admission column otherwise.
No, because I think it was already admitted.
Already admitted.
Records were called for.
Records were called.
Records.
Record to one everything.
In the meantime, records will be called for in the meantime.
Record call করে কি হবে?
They pick for what later. In the meantime, your Lordship may fix a date and
Because
records
the
will be
my
called
lord, because my 138 proceeding, my lord, is a check. My lord, it has been delayed for such a long period. It is not coming. We have to mention it before to bring it because only because of during pandemic, my lord, it was dismissed for default.
So you are the sole respondent.
Yes, Sole respondent.
Already appeared.
Already appeared.
Then we will bring it in because there is no order of admission in fact.
So then it will come on admission, my lord. Link to-
Yeah, this should be in admission column. Then it can be
On 19th, my lord, on 19th,
19.
19th July.
Hard to be here or done it now. I don't remember 30. For the also hard to be done it for the appearance of so response. As far you also LCR may not be required.
Not required, my lord.
Yeah, well, order sheets have to be looked into. That is important.
No, I have annexed all the orders. I have annexed all the orders.
You annexed the order.
All the orders. That will delay the purpose, my lord.
Iman Tanadri ki is it?
Iman Durki, इतिहास से question था.
So we are listing it on admission column or 19.
Well,
Lordship, item number 38, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, in previous date, it was listed on 18, Lordship. Condonation of delay, Lordship. On that day, shortage of time, I cannot submit, Lordship. And only 24 days, Lordship. The PP on that date, Lordship, PP on that date submitted that he has no any complaint, Lordship. Objection.
No, whatever, we cannot take this case at this stage, but the question is that there are two IAs.
Yeah,
One is
two
for
IS,
petition.
Lordship.
One is for condonation.
Condonation of delay. Another for...
But prior, before vacation, there cannot be possible. It's not at all possible. Not at all. Tomorrow also I'm having
The
interview.
FPTC is
Tomorrow
pending.
also,
That is the
Thursday
activity.
also, same routine.
Yes.
So we don't have time. I mean, we cannot fix it before vacation. Definitely after vacation we'll try. And
Okay,
you
Lord.
make a mention in the morning hours also for our petition.
Yes, Lord. Yes, we
People
in the
have-
morning hours, like Lordship, that is
Just
my
one.
Once it keep on going with 38. Do you want any fixed date or?
fixed date.
What we taken? 18.7, just immediately.
18.
37, my lord. There is a IA, my lord. It is
34, my lord.
He was sentenced for 5 years imprisonment.
In 37.
37.
37. Yes.
I
From my
records have also
37 is also in high.
records have received, my lord. He has been
Record is already received.
not that. I but this is not a
He is insisting for IAM. Right? So we can fix it on 17. Okay, it can be fixed on 17 then.
Lordship, item number 39 and 40, Lordship. Can it be on 26, Lordship?
Oh, these are hearing matters.
Yes, Lordship.
26 of this.
This.
No, not possible.
Lordship, it's
Not
an
at all.
all pending matter,
I
Lordship.
think they have seen just 2017 matters in fact.
Then, Lordship, 16 July. 16 July.
16 July is a Monday, Tuesday, what? Tuesday. Better to take it on 18 because 16 most probably some matters are already there. Let it be on 18 then. You just remind us in the morning hours because it is a old pending matter.
Yes, Lordship.
One criminal reason petition, not
Yes,
criminal
two
petition.
petitions were there, Lordship.
We fix it in on 18.7. We'll try.
Lordship, item 33, there is an interim which has been granted by this Honorable Court till the next date of listing. So I pray that the interim may be extended and instead of the orders column, the matter may come in the admission column because LCR has been received.
Milord, item number 34.
It's put to after
Interim extended, Lordship.
Yes.
Milord,
After vacation. Interim be continued.
Milord, item 34.
Obliged.
A matter may be taken up 18 or 19, Milord, July. 18 or 19.
One I is there. no?
I 7 years conviction, already 1 year
Gone. 19.7.
and 19.
Item number 34. List
34.
9.
One minute and 36.
4.
34.
And 36 also, Milord, in the morning, Milord, one of our junior Milord, he has
Then
mentioned.
it can be also fixed at 19.7.
And 19, Milord, 18, Milord. Same day 2 matters, we have some problem, Milord.
Okay, then on 18.7.
Okay.
Because now this week is also taken also matters.
Most of the declared
That part
Understand.
we are having.
And Muslim matters also come in.
Yes. So that is the problem. Otherwise, it's okay. 40
Understand the burden, Milord.
Itu 34 bulan baru siap belum kok pun